Hey, y'all, you might have to give me a minute more. Then the stream's starting soon because my quest just completely fucked up. So give me a moment, please. Hey y'all, I'm here now. Everything broke for just a moment, so that's not exactly amazing, but um it's fine now. My headset was giving me the weird screen in Android where you reboot into the firmware mode. like firmware recovery restored mode or whatever the fuck, and then there's no command, no command screen. I don't know what was going on with that, and I was really worried. I was like, oh fuck, is my Kitsune? Hey, damn, what do you want me to tweet then? Heck. Oh, so how you doing? I'm so sorry. How you doing? Okay, not a whole lot of people are on today. That's fine. But yeah, just let me know what you want me to tweet, and I'll get right on that. Oh, I've never seen that in VR chat before. Shit. It says that Spartan is in a world. It says users in a private world. But I see the joint here. I'm gonna take a screenshot. If that's okay? Yeah, that's perfectly okay. One sec. Actually, I need to take a screenshot of this because VR chat's being really weird as well. And I need to, like... Oh, now it works. Okay. The minute I go into my menu to take a screenshot, it works. Alright. Let me just go ahead and copy that. And I will tweet it. One sec. Heck. Yeah, heck. Come on. Do you want me to @ Argilla in the tweet? Like, tag him? Or should I just type that out? Because I'm gonna do that right now. Ah, shit. Okay. Oh, my body's doing weird things. Okay. Twitter. Up to you? Okay. Let's see. There we go. It's been tweeted. Alright. And now it's time to actually do things. No, shut up, Edge. Okay, no, stop. Ah! It'd be fun if Argilla got pinged but without context. Invite request from... Sure, shit, man. Oh, Spartan's in the Black Cat. Damn, okay. Wait, he's in a Friends Plus Black Cat. It'd be funny if Argilla got pinged but without context. That'd be too much of a tease. No, I could easily do that. Except I already tweeted it. Sorry, here. I can just tag him in the fucking comments. Oh, okay, now I'm loading in. God, things are so much better with my router. This is actually Oh, I forgot. I can actually set my bitrate up now. I can actually be like, hey, bro. Keep changes? Come on, keep changes. Except I'm turning it to dynamic, because dynamic. Yay! Airlink is actually working. That's good. Okay.
I'm asthmatic, bro. I need a break.
Yeah, take a break, buddy.
Yeah, which one was it?
Good exercise, though.
Thought I heard Spartan noises from down there, but who knows?
People said like something sounded really close to it, just like close to it, just like.
In the bathroom? Nope.
Like that. Sometimes I'll lay back and then
just like Among Us.
What do you mean? I'm like, oh, it's my phone. It's like the weird ankle is supposed to be back inside you.
Ah. Hey, actually, y'all give me a minute.
You ruined it.
Oh.
Damn.
What? I've ruined something?
Recording a video. Hold on. Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh, we get started again.
I'm sorry. Yeah, we're starting again. We're starting again. Replay.
Okay.
Action. All good. All good.
Alright, tell us one.
Okay, hold up. I have to set it back again.
Yeah,
Give me a moment.
yeah, 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 yeah. Gone on you with the pick and roll. Younger flame, he in sicko mode.
Can you guys talk real quick?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Ah, heck.
Alright, so 3, 2, 1, go. Hey! I'm recording, bro. What you do?
Oh, we're gonna do it again?
What? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to get in.
Okay, okay.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean
We'll
to.
get it.
This is
We'll
how
get
it
it.
feels.
We'll get it.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
We'll get it. Alright. 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay. When I stop the music,
Alright, there we go.
you have to do the bopple beep ba da ba bopple.
Wait, is Spartan still here?
Alright.
Bruh, he just got offline. I joined him and then he got offline. Pain.
Go.
It's okay. It's fine. That is how this game works. Spiders online. Spiders in fucking Among Us. Bruh, okay, who do we got? Who could I join? You know, I could just go to a public midnight rooftop again, like I do fucking every single night. Well, why the fuck not? There's not much else to do. Somebody I know is in a Friends Plus midnight rooftop. Let's see, who is this person in this world? Because I don't remember them. They're on my list, but I don't remember them. Are they downstairs? Because everyone knows downstairs is a place to relax. Nope, they ain't downstairs. I didn't see them. Did they leave as I joined? No, they didn't. Okay, so... Huh. Where are they at? Where are they at, then? Is it... Are they in the floor? Not the floor, the ceiling. Are they in the ceiling? People do that sometimes. Huh. Let me check, because I don't see them anywhere. So... That's odd. That's very odd. Because it says they're here. I don't know where. Just a sec. I could try respawning and look upstairs again. I don't know. Oh, heck. Okay. It's made by company. They recalled the original to... They recalled the original. But it's still not perfect. Okay. Yeah, it still says that person's here, so I'm gonna fuck it. I'll try respawning, because I still don't see them. And I have name tags on, so... Whoa.
Before I fucking destroy this keyboard too.
By sneezing all
By
over.
sneezing all over it. Yeah, I'll fucking ooh. You wanna see how fast the motherfucker can blow his brains out? Watch how fast I break this $300 keyboard.
Damn. VR chat must be
Almost over the
bugging out today. What's up?
Yep, done.
Wonder if that hashtag would get popular? I would hope so. Yeah, I legitimately don't see them, so I don't know what's going on. Oh. I have fallen through the world. I can see the underpiece of the... Okay. Yeah, let's just join somebody else then, heck. Because it seems to be broken. I'll just join another pub midnight rooftop. Why not? Ooh, a public lobby with only a couple people. Of course. Alright, let's see. Anyone here? Actually, if I'm going into pub lobbies, I should probably change to my Quest compatible avatar. Oh, well. Oh shit! Bubble! Hey!
Oh shit, indeed. Hey,
How you doing?
I'm doing, yeah.
Ah, you're doing, I see.
About as always, about same as always.
Okay.
Just here, you know.
That's certainly good, I guess.
Well, I mean, it's not bad. So
Yeah. Ah, definitely. I literally just got here. I was real surprised. I loaded into this world like 20 seconds ago and you joined.
oh damn. Yeah,
Yeah.
I was just seeing it was online.
Oh, of
I
course.
joined someone, but they appear to maybe be online. It's, you know, when you're like joining somebody and they're like in a world, but then when you join them, you just end up being in the same world, but they're not there.
Yeah.
But it says they're there.
Oh, I've actually
Yeah,
never had
that-
that happen to me
that's-
except today. That literally just happened.
Funky.
Yeah. Why not? It does happen, I guess. I just joined a public with a couple
So,
people to see. Yeah?
Yeah, I was gonna ask, how's it cooking with you, dude?
Good, good. I finally have my router back up and installed, so things are actually running. Which is perfect.
Sweet.
Let's see. I don't know if I told you this, but Spectrum decided to stop being a bitch and they gave us an upgrade, so that's good. And yeah, things are just
Lovely.
finally smoothing out and doing okay.
Hell yeah, bro. Better
Yeah.
Wi-Fi is always where it's at.
Ah, certainly. Yeah.
Yeah, unfortunately, I live in an area where fucking Verizon or Comcast or whoever the hell we have, they just like refuse to run more cable.
Oh, lovely.
So we're stuck with like it's top of the line internet, but from 10 years ago.
Ah, yes. Oh, no, we had that same problem for a while. They did run cable, but, we only have one ISP, unless you're willing to pay $500 for a satellite dish and then get 3 megabits per second. So,
Yeah.
basically, they were charging us way too much money for sub 100 meg internet. And so...
I'm hyped for Elon Musk's new
Starlink?
like, satellite
Yeah.
dish. Yeah, the Starlink, dude.
Starlink is really cool.
Like,
I mean,
that's gonna be
like, that's
dope.
yeah, that's usable. I mean, I wouldn't call it high speed considering that we have fiber, but it's very good compared to other satellite internet plans. I mean, you know, sadly, you
My-
have to have a home address to order Starlink at the moment. You have to have, like, a physical address.
Yeah.
So it's not applicable to some people, but it's a very good service, from what I've heard.
I lied when I said the company was refusing to run the new fiber
Mhm.
wires. My neighbor from across the street, a couple
Yeah.
houses down,
I know, satellite
they're-
internet
they're
tends to be
finally getting
slow and, like,
themselves
sub 1
some
megabits
fiber
connectivity.
cables
Oh,
installed,
okay.
and that'll,
I wouldn't
since
know.
you know it's so close to us, it'll
Mm.
significantly reduce the cost for them to run from their house
Oh,
to our
that's
house.
good.
So we're fixing to. I think we're fixing
Yeah.
to get it sometime next year, actually.
Oh, that's
But
good.
for now, we got some dookie. You know, like
Yeah.
I don't. It's not optimal, but
No, of
it's
course.
manageable.
Well, I mean, we have... I'm not sure if there's fiber running to our area, but my ISP, they do offer a gigabit plan, but we're not paying for that. And I don't know if they can really deliver a gigabit because our internet is still through coaxial. So I don't know. I don't know how much speed you can
okay.
squeeze out of that. I'm not sure. I am not...
Probably not.
I'm not knowledgeable
gig
about
speed
networking.
through
Yeah.
Friggin'
I don't know.
coax.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, they're giving us 400 megs reliably
cringe.
now, so... No, no.
Cringe.
Yeah. I will admit, once you actually have them, like, set up with working equipment, it is actually usable, because I feel like every single time we've had issues that I blamed on Spectrum, most of the time, it's been our equipment that failed. So... We'll see.
Yeah. I remember. This ain't internet related. It's more back when we had like cable TV.
Yeah, yeah.
But most of the time we had issues with DirecTV. It was all because the equipment they gave us was just some garbage.
Yeah. No, they still, we still pay for cable, actually, and a stupidly high price. Like, I think 157 bucks a month for, like, a silver package
Oh.
with, that
Yeah,
includes,
we-
like, some other
ooh.
stuff. Hmm.
We switched over. We got the YouTube TV now.
Oh, yeah.
We got a big old package that includes like HBO Max.
Yeah, I gotcha.
And then you know what? I'm just gonna count what we're paying for like Disney Plus and Netflix. We're not even paying that for
Yeah.
cable with unlimited DVR space, and 3 streaming services.
Yeah, no, I think my family just is holding on to cable. We've talked about getting rid of it, but I'm not sure if we can
Don't-
axe the cable without terminating our contract, so I don't know. I don't know if that would work.
Oh, okay.
Because,
I mean, you can always
yeah.
I'm pretty sure they're like in like year-long increments, the contracts. You just wait for it to
I'm not sure.
end, tell them, hey, I don't know, just look into it. I'd recommend, them looking into it, and then
Oh,
also looking
definitely.
into the whole YouTube TV aspects.
Yeah, no,
'cause
they're
the
looking
packages
into
are-
that. I know, I've tried to
are-
convince
are
them.
prime.
Yeah, because I've tried to convince them that we should just axe it, but I think their opinion is, let's just pay for it for now because we finally got everything working, and we're not gonna break it again. But hopefully
Nice.
we can axe that, and we're still paying for a landline, so we might want to stop paying for that too.
Oh, dude,
knows?
we cut our landlines a while ago. Like,
Yeah, no.
I think for the last like 2 years, when I go into GameStop, they say, "Hey, do you have a rewards number?" I say like I have to like remember, oh shit, it's our old landline.
Yeah.
Until like a couple months ago, when I finally changed it to my
Oh,
phone number.
yeah, I gotcha.
to my personal cell.
Yeah.
So now I kind of feel bad if my brother wants to use our rewards, because I think he's probably gonna
Yeah,
end
you
up
just have to-
giving them like,
Give the wrong number.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. No, apparently we still pay for
Oh.
that. I don't know why. Everyone in my family has a cell phone, but I don't know.
Hey, Cringe, let's
Well-
go see if there's some narcissistic assholes staring at the mirror downstairs. So we
Yeah,
can do the
actually, that
funny
might be a
funny.
good idea. Let's see who's here.
Alright.
So, we.
But hey,
Nope,
Cringe and I
coax
just got
could
finished
probably
watching
do
the
it
new
with the
Candyman
SNR,
movie, and we just
but
wanna
with
be
the
a
SNR,
dick
we are
and just, like,
we mostly
run
get
up
on
to people
top
in the middle
with
just
their
like
business
Candyman,
practices. We never consistently hit 1 gigabit per second. Oh, okay. Yeah, ours is pretty much a bundle, and another
Look in the
reason.
mirror, I see.
Oh man.
Yeah, this is quite the fun activity.
Mm.
Candyman.
Another reason my family doesn't watch any channels, mainly because they're all English, and cutting it out would just be an inconvenience. Yeah, because we don't watch much. My parents watch certain sports games,
Candyman.
but not a lot. Oh,
Okay. What?
He just disappeared? Okay.
I guess he's gone.
Alright. Interesting.
Whoa, VR chat just gave me an error when trying to show an avatar.
I feel like I might kick something if I try to lay down.
I think VR chat is just having a really bad day. Ah, loading. Loading. Please don't be an error. Good, it's not an error. My family barely understands anything on English TV. Oh, okay. Yeah. I mean, that's fine. Oh, pain. Okay. But yeah, no, my, Oh, I
just
fell
need
through
to
the
get
floor for a minute when I
idea out
respawned.
of- I need to get the idea out of my brain hole to somebody.
Hmm.
So,
But yeah, no, my, we still pay for cable.
it's
And we
just
could
a
probably
basic,
even just downgrade our cable package if they let us, but I don't know if they
note
let you
of it.
do that.
what is that?
Cause that's the thing,
Is it
Spectrum's weird like
something
that,
you would,
because
like, adapted into a screen
online
device?
on their web portal, they
I
said we
have
couldn't
no
upgrade
idea.
our internet plan.
Oh.
We called them.
So
They said they
it
couldn't
is-
upgrade our
Yeah,
internet
they
plan.
needed to write another script
My
or
dad
something
went
for the
into
past
Spectrum
while.
to return our old cable box because they gave us a new
I'm
cable
sure I can
box,
help you with that, but,
and he talked to them. Hey, we've been getting a
that'll
little
be
bit slower
different story.
speeds.
This
And
one is,
the person in
more
the
hitting,
store told him, "Oh
close
yeah,
to
no,
home.
sure, we can upgrade
So-
you to a better
Okay.
internet plan. Sure, we'll give you 400 meg,
Have you
which is
ever,
more than they officially
ever
let you
felt
bundle
like
home internet
paranoid
and
in the way
TV
of,
with. So we're
you feel
getting a
like someone
plan
is watching.
better than they advertise anywhere that we were told we couldn't get
No.
because we
Um,
asked somebody in store.
well-
It's scuffed. Like, I'm glad it works, but it's
when you're in the
weird.
shower, are you afraid to wash your hair?
And that we've cut landlines other than built-in
You might
VoIP,
open
which
your
we never
eyes and
use.
find someone
Yeah, for
standing
some reason we
there.
still have a landline. Hey man,
No,
I guess I can fucking dial up to MSN if I want to, but
I,
we do have a landline.
when I was
Other than that, we've yeah,
I was little,
VoIP.
I always
No, we
was
could get
paranoid.
VoIP through Spectrum if we
Someone
wanted to. Our
was
modem has like
watching
2
me
VoIP ports, but
It wasn't just a fear
we
of the
never
dark.
used the
It
landline.
was
The
a
only
fear
people
that
there are only a
someone
few
was
people that
there
ever call us on the
watching me
landline, and most of
all
those
the
people
time,
have our
in
cell
every
number.
dark
So
And for a while, I thought I was just paranoid. I was crazy. It was a dumb fear, and it just never left. I always felt like that. Always.
but yeah,
felt like
Spectrum's doing
someone's
some
been
weird stuff,
watching
but that's okay. Their service
And
works.
For years,
I'm getting 400 meg
more than a
speeds. I'm
decade.
only getting 20 megs up,
That
which is a
was-
bit odd because I was getting 10 megs up, like 12 megs up with
was the-
with 100 megs. So you would
What?
think I'd get at least 40 megabits per second up
whatever.
on 400 meg.
I
But
was wondering
nope,
why you
it's
put your finger
22.
here.
But that's
It's
fine.
cool.
Oh, I
Oh,
missed
it's
trying
different
out the modem
hours.
slash faxing, but I was too young to
I
try
thought you were
that.
telling me to be
And almost
quiet or
everything
something.
phones are computerized. Yeah.
No, it was
You
just
get,
Windows.
When you get like newer boxes like that, some of them don't
So,
support
I thought
tone
this
dialing,
was
which is
neat,
interesting.
and I thought,
Some don't
just-
even generate
I think
the
I'm
the
just
fucking
going
dial
crazy.
tone. They're just like
And then we
digital.
moved out of that house.
Actually, because you know I do random pointless shit because I want to waste time. So I was attempting to get an old computer connected to the internet via a dial-up connection. Because if you have like a PC running Windows XP,
He said,
you can, and it has an
everything I
Ethernet
felt.
jack and a dial-up and a
I can't get
phone
too
line
in-depth
jack,
with
whatever.
it
They have specific
because
names. They're like the
I'm
RJ
not
something
that
something
good
something,
at
but I don't remember that shit. You can
memory.
configure the
But
computer
We asked
running
our
XP
parents about
to
this.
route all dial-up connections, like connect, and then route it
Turns
through
out,
the Ethernet
all the
jack
time when
and
we
get
were
other
talking
computers
about this
online.
kind of stuff when we were kids, they
But
told
you need
us
something that
it's
generates a
alright,
dial
there's
tone, or else the
nothing
modem
there.
on the connecting
They
computer
finally,
won't
tell
call.
us,
You need an actual phone
yes,
line.
we were
So
lying
I've seen some things
There
where you can
was
reprogram a
something
VoIP switch,
the whole
but
time.
I don't have the specific switch you need.
Something was in that house.
The one that I have, little ZTE box,
Just
won't
hear me out with this.
dial from port 1 to port
The
2.
whole
And I
time
tried
we were
dialing, like,
doing
locally, because my house has more than one, like, phone
something
jack.
was in that house.
But that
We
don't work.
know why, but now
So I
we
think, you know, obviously
it
you can't
was
do that.
real. Heck, even the new neighbors,
And I don't
never
have
told
any, I
anybody
don't know
about
anyone
the
that
house
still has
too.
dial-up. Like, not
Our
dial-up, still has a
house
landline,
needs
and has a
some
computer
exact
old
stuff.
enough to test it with. So I'm at a loss.
They feel it.
Because I'm not going to spend a bunch of money to buy a
Everything we
VoIP
found
switch that I can
and saw.
reprogram, or buy a phone line simulator just for a stupid-ass project.
In the
I
same way,
really want to
too,
see if it works, because I
nightmares,
have my proof of concept. I
dark
plugged the
hallways,
laptop that I'm
they
using
felt it.
into the phone line, and I called the landline number, and it gave
So-
me that like little like that
I
thing
went
you hear,
from
not just the dial tone, but the
feeling
actual beat,
like
like it connected.
someone was
The
watching
computer
me and
picked up.
just feeling like, oh, I'm just
So I have a
going
proof of
crazy.
concept. I just
Having
don't know if it
all
works.
of those suspicions
Anyways, that's mildly interesting
confirmed,
shit. RJ11
something
is the
was
phone line
watching
connector. RJ25 is the one you usually
that
see on
made me
Ethernet.
feel
Okay.
for a while. And for a while,
Gotcha.
I felt okay.
Thanks.
I could walk through dark hallways again.
But
I could
yeah,
see
it
in the dark without a
it's
single
a random
light.
ass project that is mildly
That
interesting.
was
Because
fun.
now I have two Toshiba laptops that
Until
both have an Ethernet jack and a dial-up jack.
recently,
One from the Vista era and
because
one
I
from the
have
XP
feeling
era.
again that someone's watching
Except the
me.
Vista era laptop
Now-
is running 7 because the
I don't
Vista,
know.
like, Vista is scuffed and doesn't
I
run a
don't
lot of
know
programs,
if
and I was
it's
trying to use it for something
real
else,
or not.
but that fell through
I don't
because
know
its
if
specs
I'm
are a
just
little bit
crazy
too low.
or if it is
So
something real like in the old house. But it is there right now.
oh, that dude's talking about spooky
I
shit.
feel it. I
Oh,
don't
VR chat's
know.
being really weird today. A lot of my people on my friends
And
list say no image
whenever I
found,
thought about
and my
this, the
online
first thing that
friends
came
have
to my mind was,
disappeared. There's nothing
this
shown under the
would make
online
for a
friends
perfect
category.
story.
And I know that's not true, because
Because
Bobble's
my
online,
best
like
stories
shit.
come from my own feelings and fears.
I'm sorry. My fucking iTunes just decided to start playing Somebody Watching Me.
Sir,
That is perfect.
it's fucking.
That is ironic and perfect.
Could
And
not
While you
be.
were talking, like it was playing Somebody to Love, the Queen song, and then it just switched over to this.
Oh, right, 'cause you're going down the list of songs.
Oh my.
Bro, that is amazing.
Could not be more
but
perfect.
That is actually perfect. But yeah, those are my actual feelings right now, and I feel like it could be
You
made
cannot be
into a
left
great
alone
story.
in your average
gotta-
home, because you always feel like you're in the Twilight Zone, and you always feel
I gotta
like
work on it more, but I
somebody's
feel like it could
watching
be a good
you.
Let's actually see if I can get telephony/audio drivers
It could
working
make
for
a
the
great story,
one on the
but also,
T43
I am
working,
extremely
so I can use it
paranoid
to
right now because I feel
try to use it like
not only is
SSTV,
someone
but on
watching me,
landlines.
but someone
Yeah,
is
that'd
listening
be
to every
interesting.
word I
Damn.
say and can hear me.
Tell me, is it
Oh,
just
okay.
a
So
game?
do you?
When
So
you
are the
come
drivers
at
like
5,
broken at the moment?
You locked the
or
door
something?
real tight. People call you on the phone you're trying to avoid.
Like
Because the people don't
What
really
happened?
see you or you just.
I was
Although I don't
afraid
know,
to
maybe
open
it's
the
just that
door.
old drivers
the
for
shower,
certain
or
devices
pray
are
to
challenging to
wash your
find.
hair.
Like,
You might open your
I don't know if I
eyes
told you
and
about the
find
situation with
something
that
standing
one
there.
Toshiba
I
laptop,
thought
but
something was on the other side.
the drivers weren't listed on Dynabook's website. So when
Showing
Dynabook bought
somebody
Toshiba, they listed the
sucker too
drivers
much. That's why
horribly.
I always feel like somebody's
And so
watching me. I'm
generally when you go to
sorry, this song
websites for the
fucking
drivers,
bobs too hard.
it just dumps them like all out. Like,
I mean,
it-
we got, like, some
no
popular
regard to which ones are newer than others or anything like that. They were all dumped on the exact same date.
That's the thing.
But
I am
also,
not
my
good with
laptop,
writing things
when I went to their
down
support page and I put in my laptop number, it just didn't exist, and it didn't
I'm good with
exist.
coming up with
But then I put it
ideas.
into Google,
all
and
the
on like the
time,
third page, I found the
constant
actual link, but there was
putting
no
them
image for the laptop. It was
paper
being
or
really
typing them out
weird.
is
But I got the
fucking
drivers, and I
dreadful.
had them saved
Can't
because
do
I
it.
just know that I'm
I
not gonna
can
be able
come
to
up
find
with
that
a
page
whole
again.
monologue, but I cannot write.
I don't know if there's
I
supported
don't
drivers
know
that I
what it
know of.
is.
Oh,
It
okay.
is how
I know that
been
many don't
See,
have Linux support.
I find
Yeah,
it easier to dump
sadly.
shit on papers
I mean,
and
yep.
then
That's what.
instead of talking. Like,
That's how it be
I'm gonna just say my most
sometimes.
recent essay that I just fucking turned in for my composition class in college.
Like,
Right? They
ooh.
said 4
I
to 6
mean,
pages.
I
was
dislike
like,
Windows, but for
how
older
about
laptops, I
9,
generally just
including
keep
citations?
Windows installed because
Bruh.
And
that's
like, I
what
know a bunch of people
that's
in
what
my
all
class were
the
just, like,
software and shit
struggling
is
to get,
written
like,
for.
3.
So
I mean, like,
I don't know.
I could.
I mean, if I'm gonna be using it as my daily driver, I'm not gonna install like fucking Vista on it. I'm gonna install something more usable and a bit more modern.
Granted,
But maybe something that isn't
yeah.
Windows, but just like for something that I don't use as my everyday laptop.
Ooh, yikes!
I generally keep it on Windows
I
because
remember in junior year of high school,
it'll run the software
my friends
that
were
came
like,
with
hey,
the laptop,
Lamau,
you know?
You should write a story about the Sense of Right Alliance. You better know what the Sense of Right.
I would
Alliance
say
is.
things just because things just work but things don't just work because Windows is scuffed too. Everything is broken, honestly.
The Sense of Right Alliance, and it was magnificent.
Why is nobody showing up on my
You need
online
to
friend?
have a dramatic
Now there are only
telling of
3
that
people on my
story.
online friends list, and I know
It
that's
was
not all the
saved on my
people that are
school
online
account.
because it's not showing Bobble. Well, Bobble's
My
sitting there
school
right in front of me.
account for Loudoun County, I no
VR
longer
chat
have
is
access to 'cause I
freaking
graduated.
out.
I might have a hard copy of a draft just somewhere lying around. Might. I don't know.
You need to
Ah.
recreate it for the good of all mankind. The Sense
I
of Right
do.
Alliance.
I gotta
The
make it
good of all
better, 'cause I
mankind, I
remember-
see.
I remember I was reading through
And
it
now
again
VR chat is
towards the end
showing
of my senior
online
year, and I
icons
was
next
like, dude,
to
this is
all
shit.
of the people on
Like, I can see how
my
freshman year me would
fucking
think it's alright, but dude,
frequent
holy
list,
fuck,
but
rip up
it
the
says that all of them are
Clamor League,
offline.
guy. Holy
The
fuck,
actual like
freshman year
red
me
box
was
thing says that
pretty
they're
rough.
offline. When I click on one of them,
I
they're
don't even remember
offline.
what year
But
me it was.
this game is
I
freaking
remember
out
if it
right
was freshman or sophomore,
now.
junior. It was definitely not
It's
junior.
not
It was
having
definitely
fun.
freshman or sophomore.
What is up, VR
No,
chat?
It's
no.
down in my ideas list.
It was freshman year, but I just returned it in sophomore year because I had a different teacher. My first teacher didn't make us use Turnitin, so.
And I go to my offline friends list,
Either
and the
way,
only
it was
person on my
fun as hell,
offline
and,
friends
like,
list.
it was
Oh,
full of just, like,
where did my
garbage.
where did
I
oh
swear
where did
I could
XS overlay
probably
go?
write
I go to my offline
something
friends
that's
list, and the one
actually
person
good
there
about
is
the fucking
online.
Sense of Right Alliance.
I
What
wanna
is
know
up?
this. I want to hear this story someday.
Is it that the updates are forcing 3-point avatars?
So
Is something affecting
did
it?
some, like,
No,
in-depth
this
research,
VR chat's
like,
just been
it
going
was
weird for all
like,
of today.
It took place in China. Everything smelled of like pollution and
Here.
communism,
Look.
and everything
Social?
was made out of cheap
Look at that,
plastics
see?
and lead paints.
It says they're all
I remember
online,
I did, like,
but
some,
they're
like,
not.
research into, like,
See?
other bootleg toys, like
None of these people are online. And then it doesn't
history
show.
band
Okay, now
of
it's
the
showing my
Sense of Right
full list of
Alliance
people that are
was
online. And then I
this
go to
bootleg
offline
toy I
friends,
found
and
called
it
the Mighty
shows
Van.
not
It was
all
the
my
18
offline friends.
van,
It shows
except with Mr.
other
Cheese
people
head
that
on
are
top and arms on the
like
side.
what? What is this?
And then
What is this?
you know
Anyways,
the infamous like giant fucking Thomas the Tank Engine mech. They fought that thing.
That is
Except like
incredible.
I like did something where like I don't know like I was thinking about like
Everything
the
is
T-1000
broken, it's fine,
from,
mine
from
from-
Terminator, how he's like that liquid metal. I was like, oh yeah, you know what? The mech from Thomas.
I'm gonna
the-
relaunch,
the
actually.
cheap, shitty plastic mixed with the lead, special kind of lead paint, makes him like the T-1000, and he could like inhale metals from other, or inhale the plastics from things around him. And then I remember
It's starting to sound like Scoob and Shag almost, but
there
in a
was
different
this
sort of
there
way.
was this like
Yeah.
there was this like Turkish line of bootleg Star Wars toys. It was called the Uze Stars War. And there was this version of the Imperial Guards, the red dudes with like the weird dome heads. Essentially, it was like all black with no like robes or whatever. He was all black, but he had a golden helmet. And his name,
Okay, I'm just gonna relaunch real quick. Okay, thanks. Steam VR is now up. Now I can just reload VR chat and hope that it wants to work. Man, I think everything's just breaking today. Everything hates me. Really. Everything does. I think that's just how it is. All electronics hate me. All of them. They all collectively hate me. Alright. Camera time. There we go. Now does the list work? The list does indeed work. Yay! Now it's actually displaying properly. Join. Actually, now that my router is working, I might go play some Beat Saber later, because I haven't played Beat Saber in a little bit. Well, I have. It's just been painful.
Dude, so you don't have to make them into screenplays.
What's
Right.
wrong?
You spooked the shit out of me. You like were
How?
over there and you disappeared, and then you were like fucking here.
Yeah, no, no, I just rejoined. My game was being really weird, so I just relaunched.
Yeah, I forgot I was standing right next to the spawn. So
I see.
But yeah, I'm gonna make a Bannered Mare instance eventually, and then I'm just gonna tell my stories.
all right.
I see.
But
Very
first,
nice.
we'll go and find Jinx.
I think when if Goose gets online, I've already talked to Red about this. He's down for it, but I gotta talk to Goose
Man, I
about
haven't
this because
seen
I need
Goose
as
in a
many
bit.
like VR actors as possible for at least for episode 1. Because like this project has taken so many different fucking forms. I did like test footage in stop motion at first. Like that's the sole reason I bought. That's like the thing that pushed me over the edge to finally buy a 3D printer, so I can like 3D print set pieces for this. And like the set pieces I built were fucking beautiful. But like I started out, I did like a stop motion test footage that was on my old phone. I don't know if that can be recovered. And then my best friend and I, who helped me write it, he was more of, you know, I pitched the ideas, he told me if they were good or bad, and we went from there. And then also he was mostly there for grammar correction.
Grammar correction.
He did write an episode and a half, though. He did write an episode and a half.
Okay.
Out of 10. Anyways,
That's something.
But yeah, him and I, we did some test footage, a test shot in Gary's mod. I think I might be able to get that because
Gmod.
it was on my
Haven't
laptop.
played it.
I don't remember which laptop though.
Which
Yes,
laptop?
I
You got
do.
multiple?
Okay. I just so I got one, but then it like killed itself. So then I got another one. So I
Yeah,
don't
that makes
remember if
sense.
I pretty sure I backed it up. I don't know which one's on which.
I see.
I know all the voice recordings for when we did the test shot in stop motion were on my old laptop, but on my new laptop, or my newer laptop, because it's still a couple years old. Is where we got
Newer, I
our
get you.
Gary's mod test shot. And then I told him, hey.
My game is
test
dying.
shot. And then
My
I
game is
told
not
him, hey,
responding.
Chuck,
My game
I
is not
pitched the
responding.
idea,
My
but a
game
good
is
way
not.
we could, you know, get the same
Something's
expression
breaking.
out of it without having to.
Something's
put out
breaking.
as much
Argilla,
work
oh no.
as just to do it in VR chat, you know? 'Cause it's
Sorry,
got
After
some-
Rivers,
it's got
everything's
some
fucking breaking.
nice
Actually, I
camera
need to remod you.
controls. It's got
One sec.
you know, all the models one could wish for. It's got, you know, all the maps one could wish for. So
And
it's
if you
really
don't
just a
have
matter
it,
of
you can either make it or commission someone to make it.
yeah, exactly. Right now it's just a matter of like I gotta find time to do it and find people who'd be interested in doing it.
Yeah. I
And
get
also I need to find time for fucking my
that. No, I'm
best
not
friend
blaming
to,
you. I'm not blaming you. I said,
you
oh
know,
no, I'm so
answer his
sorry that you have to
fucking
join us.
phone for
Everything just
once.
fucking
Holy
broke.
shit.
I'm not blaming you.
Like, I mean, it's not just because he moved over to California
Jake?
that he's not fucking. Yes. Like, I mean, his ass still didn't respond to shit even when he lived here. So, like, now his ass is over in a different time zone and he's got extra. He's extra not responding to shit.
Extra not
So-
responsive. Nice.
Yeah, bro. Extra unresponsive. It's kind of. I find it kind of sad. I tend to think the worst out of all situations, so you can probably imagine where that's going.
Ah, I see.
And a fucking depressing Muppet song just came on right as I'm.
No,
fucking
no,
listening
wait,
to
which
this. Damn,
song?
right as I'm fucking talking about this. It's from Muppets Most Wanted. It's called Something So Right. It's Miss Piggy
okay.
and Celine Dion's duet. I fucking love Celine
Yeah.
Dion and the Muppets, so this is just like a banger.
Yeah.
Top tier.
Watched the movie a
Mhm.
while ago, but I don't remember it very well.
I've never watched Muppets Most Wanted.
Dude, it's got some banger music in there.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to check it out.
Some of the Muppet movies are good.
It's like, honestly, I think the music in there is better than the music in the 2011 movie. But then again, the
Muppets.
2011 movie was mostly like covers of older songs or older
Oh,
Muppet
yeah.
songs, and like the only two good original songs in that movie were "Life's a Happy Song" and "Man or Muppet."
Never watched
I was
Muppets.
about to
Oh, I
say,
remember
am
that.
I a man or am I a Muppet?
No,
I
no,
love
Man
that.
or Muppet.
Never watched
Man or
Muppets.
Muppet is in like the
I just know
top
Kermit for the
5 Muppet
memes,
songs
sir.
in general.
It is a bop.
Like it's you know you got like Rainbow Connection. Can you picture that?
Yeah.
Man or Muppet. I gotta say Moving Right Along, and then after that I'm gonna say after that I'm gonna go out on a limb and say the Interrogation song from Muppets Most Wanted.
Alright, Jilly, you need to watch some of the Muppets movies.
I need to watch Muppets Most Wanted. I want to go back and watch stuff like Muppets Take Manhattan and Muppets in Space, or was it Muppets in Space?
I'm not sure.
I think that's what it's called. But I can't find it. I can't find them. So, what are you doing?
Wait, is Muppets Most Wanted the one with, like, the Kermit lookalike?
Like the imposter Kermit.
Yeah, the imposter
Yeah.
Kermit. Oh, okay.
Pretty
The guy who voices the imposter Kermit is the guy who voices Kermit now after they fucking fired the
Oh.
last voice actor. And
Oh, that's
let me
depressing.
tell you, he
Mhm.
is awful.
He's
Oh,
not
no.
He's fucking terrible. Oh, so
It's pretty sus.
I guess
Imposter
YouTube
Kermit,
is doing
yeah.
some like fucking big promotional thing called Dear Earth.
Oh,
and the
really?
Muppets participated in it, right?
I didn't know.
So there's 2 videos they released for it. One video is Kermit the Frog with his new voice actor talking about, oh, woohoo, I love the Earth, this, that, and the other. You
Mhm.
know, it's frog shit.
Yeah.
That just puts on full display how horrible his new voice actor sounds.
Mm.
The other thing was a magnificent video. You will absolutely love this cringe. A cover of Mr. Blue Sky, completely done by Dr. Teeth and the Electric Mayhem.
Give me a second. I'm looking this up right now.
What's the video
I put it on the
called?
link sharing in our. I put in a link sharing on our Discord server. It is literally just like go to the Muppets YouTube channel and you'll see it
Okay.
right there. Dr. Teeth and the Electric Mayhem cover Mr. Blue Sky.
Alright.
Screw you. Discord, I want to listen to this.
Yeah, I need to see this. I'll add it to my watch later. Let's see.
Oh no, you gotta watch this ish now.
Oh, it's the top result. It's the top result for
This
Also,
is
when the
incredible.
fuck did? When the hell did Electric Mayhem get that like fifth member, that like trumpet player? Like
I don't
he
know.
just showed up. No, he hasn't. It's always been Zoot, Janice, General or Sergeant Floyd, Pepper,
I'm
Dr.
scared.
Teeth, right, and Animal. It's always been those five. And now there's
Yeah.
another guy with a
Oh
fucking
wait,
trumpet.
no, I did see him. Who is that?
Yeah.
Wait,
I got
yeah.
confused
He
with
just
the-
kind of
Confusion.
Yeah, no, he just kind of showed up in like the Muppets ABC show, like the one that's kind of like The Office but with the Muppets.
Oh.
He just kind of showed up there, but I don't know if he showed up before or after, because like he wasn't in the 2011 movie, nor was he in Muppets Most Wanted. So he just kind of showed up in one of the shows.
Hmm. Weird. No explanation or anything?
Except he fucking like disappeared. I think he disappeared in fucking Muppet Haunted Mansion. He wasn't in that when Electric Mayhem just popped out. And that movie
there
came
he
out
is.
like
Who is
a
that
few
guy?
weeks ago. I don't
Weird.
know. I don't know. Like he wasn't in Muppet Haunted Mansion, which came out literally this month.
Yeah, wait. And then it's in this video?
I don't know.
Confusing.
I am so confused.
Very confusing.
Because like I
But I'm
remember
just
his
too
ass like
into the
I
song
think,
to
I think
care.
it was Scooter threw Animal at his ass at that guy.
Yes.
Oh, that episode was great.
Yeah. Ah, heck. Oh shit, Fizz is on! Damn, okay.
I love throughout
my
like the whole
request
video,
doesn't-
Zoot is just standing there. He does not know what the fuck's going on.
Yeah.
He's vibing.
He's
Yeah,
existing.
he's just there like, what the fuck? He's, oh, wait, no. He's Zooted.
Zooted. Ah. That's a very
He is
nice.
zooted.
Very
Zoot
nice
is
ver-
zooted. Zoot is high.
He's zooted.
Zoot
Jeez.
is stoned out of his gourd.
Another word for stoned being zooted.
Wait, legitimately? Wait, let me just fucking check
Never
dictionary.com.
is.
Give me a damn
Yes.
minute. Is this actually?
Well, it's like a. I don't think it'd be on dictionary. It'd be more like Urban Dictionary.
Let's
type
do
thing.
it. Urban Dictionary then.
Thank you for that. That's going into the playlist with the good ones.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah, there we go. Urban Dictionary. Zooted, when you are so high that you forget you ordered pizza. Then the doorbell rings, you get scared, then really happy because you forgot you ordered pizza. Zooted, being so fucking high / drunk that the only words you can say are, oh, I can't say that.
Or, my African American
Zooted, just
colleague, I am
deliriously
zooted.
high. Yes. Or just deliriously high. Those,
Okay.
Dad was so
those,
zooted at the wedding we went to a few months back that he got they were taking a picture of him and he backed into a candle and he just kind of accepted it and embraced the wax that just kind of covered his suit.
Jeez, dude.
Bro,
Let's go.
like, he had a good few cigars and like he had cigars and a lot of whiskey, so the dude was sloshed. Like that is, I believe, the
Sheesh.
definition of sloshed.
Yeah,
And it
no, that
wasn't-
guy.
That was
Damn.
directly after the reception,
Oh.
right into the
Oh.
party. He already was like,
Not human. Hey, how you doing? That's the
Wow.
point, bro.
he
Zooted.
was a legend at weddings.
I see.
He brings all the good cigars, like those vintage, like those good ones that everyone, like all.
Well,
the good
damn, would you
cigars
look at
he
that? It's
brings.
Fizz. Hello.
But yeah. Weren't we gonna, what is it?
How you doing?
Talk to Jinx?
Yes.
And then,
You
Bennett
hear me?
Bear story
Yep, I can
time?
hear you now.
And then do what?
Good. How's it going? All good?
Yeah, very good. My router is finally back. So
Wait,
things are
wait,
doing
Yay.
well.
Say,
So things
who's
look
gonna
decent
Finally.
and aren't lagging out every 2 seconds.
Me. I was
yeah.
gonna tell a story and you were going to listen
Nice.
because I need someone
Yeah.
to hear my stories.
How are you?
Yeah.
Good, good. Yeah, a little tired. I
Oh,
got
yeah,
my
same.
second vaccine dose for
Oh,
COVID
that's
today.
amazing! Yay!
There you go.
Oh, that's amazing! Yay, that's good, that's good.
Oh no, he's at a pug.
But yeah. Oh, the pug F. Yeah, no, I'm feeling
Were you hanging
Ooh,
out
I'm
with
gonna-
someone else, or?
I'm gonna go
No,
fall
no,
on-
Bobble
have a
was
wonderful
here for a
night,
bit, but
everybody.
I think he just left. Oh yeah, have a good night.
Have a lovely night. You
But yeah, I think I got my like flu shot yesterday, so I'm feeling mildly under the weather, but not horrible or anything. Just a little bit lacking in energy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Still, I mean, everything's broken. Like, 5 minutes before I was about to get on, I boot up my Quest, and it gives me, you know that screen on, like, an Android phone? The one that says no command, with the little, like, Android robot that's open? Yeah, it gave me that shit.
Oh, I never got that.
Basically,
I never
it's like,
got that.
generally, the only time I've seen it happen is when you try to boot into, like, not recovery mode. It's not called recovery mode because it's not a fucking iPhone. What's it? It's like when you try to boot into the, like, little menu that you get where you can, like, restore your OS or mount this partition or flash a firmware, and you give it no
Sort of
command.
the BIOS, right?
Yeah, kind of like that. So I was real worried for a second, because all I did was press the power button like I normally do, and it just gives me this shit. I was like, oh no, I've broken it. I've horribly fucked up everything. And it just stayed there for like 3 minutes, and then it turned on correctly. So I don't know what happened, but it's not broken, so
Weird.
I'm glad it works.
Yeah, what happened to me once was that my Quest was stuck on the Quest, Oculus logo for more than it should.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I've noticed that as I've been using it, this thing boots up slower than it has in the past. And I haven't installed anything new or anything, it just seems to be booting up slower. Maybe it's firmware updates that installed new software or whatever, but I don't know. I'll be laughing at flies farting sometimes, I guess. Yeah, they fucking
I'm
fart.
trying to get my strap correctly.
Oh, yeah.
For some reason, it's not really comfortable today for some reason.
Oh, yeah.
1 sec.
Of course, of course. But yeah, no, everything's broken today, but that's fine. Things often
What is
break, and that's okay.
I'm back.
Alright, welcome back. Yeah, no, everything's working. It's not scuffed anymore. Like, believe me, I tried playing Beat Saber with the hotspot thing, and it was so bad, I don't think I ever finished a song. Even on some of the easier modes, I don't believe I ever finished a song. Because it would, like, lag out really bad, and often for like 10 seconds at a time, and that just ruins you. So
Yeah, that's the bad thing about Beat Saber, if there's even a small lag, you can feel it, because
yeah, you
it's,
really can.
fast.
And then on some of
sort
the
of game.
faster songs, at such a low bit rate, the blocks were coming at me so fast that things were really blurry. So that was not fun. But now it works. Now it's now it's doing well. So it's much better. And it makes me realize I should probably get a link cable just as backup, or get something as backup in case my router dies.
Yep, definitely.
Because I have another Wi-Fi 6 router, but that's the router that I'm actually using for our entire home Wi-Fi network, and I can't just sabotage that, because then everyone else's speeds are gonna go to shit, because Airlink takes up way too much bandwidth. Like, I tried to, a while back when I first got the Quest, I didn't have my own router for Airlink, so I used, like, our router, which was, which is capable, and the minute somebody else tried to, like, watch a movie, everything went downhill. Like, it was buffering for them, and my connection was going bad. The router
Yeah.
was not having fun, which, what can you expect?
Not-
It was one of the cheaper Wi-Fi 6 routers, but still.
Yeah. People used to call like Netflix and chill, but for you it's Netflix and kill my game.
Yeah. Yup. Definitely. Well, yeah, no, things work. I'm glad. Now I can actually switch to playing a desktop game without having to unplug the Ethernet cable from my laptop and have everything go offline.
Yeah.
And just keep it here. Although, nothing ever works correctly because now I got my router back and working, but now my mouse is starting to kill itself. So I'm gonna need to buy another mouse soon. And that's lovely.
Is it a wireless mouse or?
No, I have a
Cable.
wired mouse. I have a wireless mouse as well, but I'm not using it right now because it's also mildly broken, and it's not an amazing mouse. It's one of the, like, Microsoft Sculpt Comfort mouses that I appropriated from a friend. He wasn't using it, so I was like, I'll use it. But it's not an amazing mouse, and also, it's starting to get, it's not, like, really old, but it's starting to get of the age where the rubber coating on things just starts to dissolve and turn into goop, and so it's getting mildly sticky. And that's annoying. So I'm using just, like, my normal cheap-ass Five Below mouse, which was $10, so apparently Five Below's marketing is a scam. They call themselves the Five Below, but really it should be called the 15 Below, because they sell items at $15, $10, and $5.
Yeah, I don't remember the model I have, but I have one from Logitech, and it's a really good one. And it was expensive.
Oh,
back
yeah,
then
one of
when I
those
bought
ones.
It, when I bought it.
Yeah, I've
It's
heard
a
friends
huge one that I
discuss
kind of yeah.
Yeah. And some
I
of my
remember
friends are really
the
interested
model
in that.
anymore, but
Yeah. I don't know, some of my friends
one.
are really interested in mice and keyboards. Like, I legitimately have a friend, this is, like, such, like, rich kid shit, who has, like, 4 Razer Huntsmans and 4 Razer Huntsman Minis.
Oh my.
What is that? Sir, you have, like, 8,
And
what,
Razer.
$100 keyboards? And yet you still have a 1660 Ti in your PC. You can buy a scalped
Oh my.
3060 or 3070 for that much. Sir, what are you doing?
Oh no. Doesn't make sense.
Yeah, and I have friends
Yeah,
that are
I
like,
feel- I
oh,
feel like
Model
Razer
O,
products-
this, that. Yeah.
Razer products are just money grabbers, I think.
Oh, no, they
don't,
are.
They don't are good as they tend to be, you know?
No, they
I
are. I
think.
have, one of the, actually, so my school has, like, the whole DFAB hub, and the lady who's the DFAB hub, like, coordinator or whatever, she has one of the Razer laptops, and, ooh boy, it's one of the more expensive ones, yet it doesn't have as far as I can tell, it doesn't have a dedicated GPU, and also uses a weird, like, power connector. Now, most Windows laptops use proprietary power connectors, but this one is very odd. I can tell it's to specifically make the laptop thinner, but I don't know. I can't justify paying that much
Probably,
more
yeah.
for a Razer laptop when I don't get much more features.
Yeah.
I
The
don't know,
only
I-
Razer product I have is the Naga Pro, that you have 12 buttons at your side, because I used to
Oh,
play
yeah, one of those things.
MMORPGs. Yeah,
Yeah.
so it's a good for MMO.
No, I have no Razer
But it's
products.
the single product I have from them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Again,
My brother used to have a headset. I don't remember the model exactly, but it lasted him for a single year. After that,
Oh,
the
wow.
headset was broken.
Damn. No, I've never owned a Razer product. Again, I'm stupidly new to PC stuff, and I don't really have the money to buy peripherals. But really, I don't care how something looks too much. Like, if it looks like hot garbage, you know, if it's... But as long as it doesn't look horrendous, and it works well, and it performs decently, I'll take it. Like, if you give me a PC that has a 30 series graphics card, whatever the newest Gen AMD CPU is, and all that stuff, but it's in one of those, like, beige 2000s PCs cases, I'll fucking take it. I don't need to upgrade the case. Like, I don't care what it looks like as long as it works.
Exactly.
If it does its job.
I'm the kind of person as well.
Yeah. Like, I know my laptop doesn't exactly look flattering. It's a chunky hunk of plastic, but, it works.
Does the job. That's it.
It does the job. It's portable, and it's powerful.
Yeah. You could waste $100,000 in a MacBook Pro, and it would do the
for
job.
the good design, yeah.
But it looks good, yeah.
It does. And to a certain extent, I do enjoy the slim, sleek designs of the MacBooks, but they come at the cost of performance and thermals. I had an Intel MacBook. Those things get hot. You know, you can stop paying for your gas bill. That thing will cook your food. That thing will keep you warm at night. It's
Definitely, yeah, definitely.
they get
Oh,
hot,
I'm
so-
going to a camping. You know, I'm going
Yeah,
to a
just bring
camping
my
spot.
MacBook.
I don't have to have a campfire. Just my MacBook.
Just the MacBook, bring that. And the Intel MacBooks have
know,
always gotten
fireplace.
hot. Like, I don't know if the PowerPC ones did that, because the only PowerPC Apple laptop I have doesn't work at the moment, because I'm an idiot and I didn't replug the power button while I put it back together, and I'm too scared to take it apart again, because it's, like, an annoyingly challenging repair. But, so I don't know if the PowerPC MacBooks got very hot, but I know that I have a 2006 Intel
don't
MacBook,
know.
and that thing heats up really bad too. Like, those things get hot. They get toasty.
Yeah. A
Temps?
friend of mine had
86.
a MacBook Air back then.
Oh, yeah.
I don't remember the year though, but he was in a sunny day here in Brazil. You know, it gets hot in a sunny
Oh,
day.
yeah.
And he was trying to use his MacBook Air for a while, and after let's say 30 minutes or so, his MacBook just stopped, like crashed. You know, the screen
yeah.
was just stuck, nothing moving at all, and it just was because it was getting hot and hot and hot, in a point that the MacBook just crashed. You know.
That is not good. No, the MacBook Airs are not good about that, because they sacrifice everything for that. I mean, it's not like the Pros are any better. Like, my father has a, like, 2015 pre-USB-C MacBook Pro, and that thing still heats up terribly. Maybe that's just because it's old and the fan's dusty, but it's loud, and it gets hot. But, the Airs specifically, I had a 2011 Air, a MacBook Air, and then I had a 2019 MacBook Air, and both of them got really hot.
Yeah, I have MacBook Pro 2017 and a 2020.
Yeah. Very cool, yeah. I'm not sure about... But yeah, I
Very
like the
just,
design
you know,
language, but yeah.
Yeah, 2017 just for my wife to do her work, just basic
Yeah,
stuff.
of course.
And for
No,
me, it's just for when I'm, in a hotel or something that I still can work, from
Yeah.
whatever I am.
That's one of the
And
good
that's it.
advantages of them. The thing I do miss the most from my MacBook was the fact that it's so small and so light. Like, my computer, I put it in my backpack. It's challenging to do anything. Like, I tried. I had to bring...
It's a brick.
Yeah, I had to go to, Tutor or some shit. I was gonna bike there because I don't have a car, and it's a short enough distance that driving there is gonna take only a couple minutes. So I was like, oh, I can bike. I put my computer in my bag. I start off, you know, with my charger, and I'm like, oh, I can't bike. this is too heavy. Like with my books and computer, it's too much. So I like that. I like the design language is okay. Keyboard's bad, but the design language is fine. I like the way they look. I don't like the way they perform. macOS is nice.
Exactly.
macOS is very nice. I enjoyed it a lot. Yeah.
Yeah, there's one thing about the macOS that I would like Windows to have, and I
Yeah?
think Microsoft's going for it, but not really sure.
Mm-hmm.
That you know, the macOS is based on a Unix kernel, which
Yeah,
is
yeah.
you know
Unix,
so
yeah.
the macOS is actually Darwin, what their kernel is called, which means that you can pretty much have Linux commands up there, so you can use bash
Yeah.
scripts. You know, you can do whatever you would do in a Linux box, but
Yeah, the
you
fancy
know, you
stuff.
have like your pretty MacBook where you can install Photoshop pretty easy without you know having to you know bother about wine or something like that.
Yeah.
And you keep with the Linux power, you know, Linux or
Yeah,
Unix,
you still have
doesn't
the
really
power,
matter.
of course.
But yeah, and doesn't you know Windows doesn't have like that.
They
Windows should have
don't.
something like
There's-
that, I think.
They have, what's it called? They have they're working on that. They have the fucking, like, Linux on, whatever it's called. I forget what the
Linux,
project is called.
Yeah, I think it's WSL
Windows
or
sub, yeah,
something
WSL,
like that.
Windows Subsystem for Linux. But it's not that
Exactly.
good. It's not that good.
Yeah, not that good.
I've worked with
Yeah,
it, and
just-
and there's like
Yeah.
you need to install a developer preview version of Windows just to get it running, and then like certain apps don't enjoy it. Like when I had that installed, BlueStacks freaked out and was like, "No, you have to disable this shit, or else I'm not gonna launch." So, certain applications don't like it, and it's not perfect. So we'll see.
Yeah.
I mean, heck, Windows is probably
Well,
the
at
one
least-
longest surviving operating system that's not Unix based. Pretty much
Yeah.
everything else is.
Yeah, at least they made the PowerShell a little. I know you can use some commands pretty
Yeah.
okay. So like Linux,
They're doing
Linux-like
okay.
commands
Yeah.
do the job pretty poorly, but do the job.
Yeah. Well, from what I've seen, I mean, I don't know, but they haven't really updated much of their base operating system stuff in a while, because most programs that I run on Windows 10, even programs that say for Windows 10 only, run perfectly on Windows 8. So it seems like they haven't changed a lot in a while. Which is why it bugs me that certain games are now starting to say for Windows 11 only.
What?
Yeah, I think it was a couple of games are gonna be only for Windows 11. Which is stupid because these are games that are already running under Windows 10, and not everyone has gotten the Windows 11 update yet. Like my PC, in the update settings, it just says Windows 11 will be available soon. We'll let you know when you can update. So, but I've heard that certain games, I think it, what was it? I think it was like fucking Valorant or some shit, was moving to Windows 11 only because of certain things they implemented that made it like easier for them to implement their anti-cheat. I don't know, something like that.
It doesn't make any sense.
I'm not sure. I don't know if this is
Why-
100% true.
Why would?
But let's see.
Well, what I would say is that if they are switching for Windows 11 to make their anti-cheating or something work,
Yeah.
probably it's gonna be easier to hack through.
Yeah.
I think if they are relying on Windows structure, you know, to handle something.
Yeah. I'm not sure. I don't know. I was just informed of this. Might not be 100% correct. But I think it was like a couple games maybe switching to Windows 11 only. But I don't know. Windows 11 is still rolling out. Not everyone has it yet. And I think most people are going to wait a little bit before making programs Windows 11 only, because a good deal of PCs just don't support it. Like, you need the TPM2 or whatever the heck for security. So...
Another thing that Microsoft just fucked up, I think.
It is because the thing is,
it's
yeah,
already proven that it doesn't secure anything.
yeah, it is,
There's a
and
way to
also,
break it.
yeah, for the earlier builds of Windows 11, I don't know about now, but you can literally install Windows 11 without TPM 2.0. You just change around a couple files and you're good. It's not like it breaks anything. It works just fine. And
I don't know.
and I don't think it's compromising anything.
Microsoft things.
Yeah, I'm not sure. We're doing some weird stuff. I'm not sure what Microsoft is on. Like, oh, have you seen the Microsoft Surface ads?
Me?
Oh, yeah.
No.
They bug
Microsoft
me
Surface
so much. They bug
ads?
me so much. So there's the one that was like,
Where? On YouTube, you
on
mean? Or-
YouTube, yes. There was this one. I don't know if you've seen it. It's pretty. I mean, I don't know. In my opinion, it's pretty infamous. Where there's the dude that's comparing the iPad Pro to the Surface Pro 7 or whatever the heck, and then he's talking about how like, oh, you can do this, you can do that, you can game, you can. The model he's reviewing is either the 8 gigs of RAM model or the 16 gig RAM model. Right? With Core i7 or some shit, right? But then at the end he says, he compares the two and he's like, and then there's the price. But the price they list is for the base model with a Core i3 and 4
Basic
gigs
model,
of RAM. Yeah, he just pulled that shit. And the way the review is done is just horrible. Like they're comparing things that are pointless. They're comparing things like what you can do. They're like, oh yeah, Surface comes with a keyboard. Yet no shit, you can buy a keyboard for your iPad too that works just as easily. They're like comparing really stupid and pointless things. And then there was another one that compared it to the M1 Mac, and that was weird too. It was very odd. And in
They're
one of the
just tricking,
yeah, and in one of the
audience.
Surface ads, when they compared one of the Surfaces to the Mac, this was so funny to see. Because in most videos, when they show something on the screen of a device, they're not actually filming the screen, they just add it in later. When they added the screen in later onto one of the MacBooks, they made the bezels smaller than they actually were. They made the screen look bigger and better on their competitor's device. I don't know what they're doing anymore. Honestly, I don't know. Well, I know 1 or 2 people that own a Surface, and from what I can tell, they're not amazing. And apparently, their firmware updates are scuffed. Apparently.
Yeah, I never seen one, to be honest.
Yo, secure the router. Let's fucking go. I've seen them, but I've never understood why anyone would buy them when there's so many other laptops. If you want a touchscreen, they're better Windows laptops and tablets for that. If you want, the whole kind of like, and they also offer a Surface laptop, but that's not amazing either. There are a billion other things. I gotta go. I have 5 homework assignments to do, and I haven't started. Okay, yeah, man. Have a good night.
Can you try something with me pretty
Yeah?
quick?
Sure.
So, because at least to me, it seems like I'm having sort of a delay. So,
Okay.
I'm going to say like a number like 1, and then after you hear 1, you say 2, and then you say 2, and then I say 3. So, let's do that until
I'll do that.
2
Okay.
fives, so I can have an idea.
Gotcha.
So I'll start. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5.
6.
Yeah, it's pretty delayed.
Oh damn. I mean,
Like, yeah.
yeah, that does. I've had that in VR chat more than real life. Sometimes, even when people are closer to me. But maybe it's just a ping thing. I don't know.
Yeah, it's like a ping thing, to be honest.
Because I think we're on the
'Cause you
US
have, like,
server, so that might be a
28.
problem. Yeah, I'm at like 27, 28.
Yeah, and I'm like 200, but it's
Oh,
normal,
yeah, that's-
for me.
Yeah. No, I
But I
completely
don't
understand that.
remind we having so conversations like so delayed like that because I can feel it. Like I say something,
Oh.
and then you sort of say like I don't know. I don't know explain, but I can feel that there's some delay going on.
Yeah,
Is
I
it on
getcha.
the
You
way
can
you
feel it more
react
than
to things
normal.
that I'm talking to? Yeah, but it's okay. Just wanted to
Yeah.
be sure. I don't know the reason why though.
Oh, of course. Not sure. Sometimes VR chat works in weird ways. Like earlier, it was just completely broken. I had to relaunch. It wasn't showing me anyone in the online friends list. My like frequent list was really messing up and glitching out. My offline friends list showed people that were online. It was being very confusing. Also, for some reason, my safety settings are being very weird.
Yeah, I had things like that once where I went to avatars and there was no, the UI wasn't showing anything, just a blank page.
Yeah, this game breaks very frequently. Hey, I'll be back in just a second. I'm gonna use the restroom.
Okay.
Oh. I have returned. Okay. There we go. Camera. Very nice. Oh yeah, I didn't ask. What if you...
So why
Hmm?
What was the reason why you brought your router to the school again?
For computer club, because I thought, hey, we literally have... Because we don't have much hardware. We have a 2008 Dell with a very busted hinge, and that barely works and is dustier than dust. So we have that, and we have a broken PowerBook G4 that we can't get to boot from USB or CD. So we don't really have much to do. We're still looking for devices because components are hard to come by, and you have to know the exact right people to find old hardware. So I thought, hey, maybe we can actually have something to do for once instead of sitting around and just playing video games because we have nothing to work with. So I brought my Quest and the router because VR and Beat Saber. And so we did that, and that was all fine and dandy. And then I left it there because I forgot.
Any of your friends tried VR for the first time?
Yeah, a couple of them, I think. And let's
what
face
did
it,
they
it
think?
was. They enjoyed it, as far as I know. I mean, it's not necessarily... Beat Saber isn't necessarily the best game to first try out in VR, with no, like, introduction or tutorial or anything. But it
Yeah,
worked.
I like to introduce my friends to the first steps of the quest. I think they're
Yeah, that's
amazing.
generally a good idea. The first steps are
You know,
good.
because it brings up that that table. You can throw objects, and
Yeah.
you understand the controllers, how they work. Yeah.
Yeah, it's very nice.
The week I got my quest, I brought it to my parents' house, and then I let my mom and my dad try.
Oh,
It was
nice.
fun.
Yeah, I showed
I
I
one
showed my
interest
parents that.
yeah, one interesting that I actually my dad was like playing for a while, and he was
Mhm.
like, okay, I'm fine. It's
Yeah.
weird, you know, kind of bugs me for a while.
Mhm.
But my mom was like, oh, it's really cool, blah blah blah. And then okay, mom, I'm going to show you something else. Like, and I showed her VR shot, and I actually brought this avatar for her and
Yeah.
put it in front of a mirror. And I was just saying, hey, you see the character in front of you? This is actually you. So you can move your hands, you can,
Yeah.
you know, can see it. And she was like, oh my god, it's really cool. Well, it was
Yeah.
fun.
No, I showed my parents VR. They both did not really enjoy Beat Saber. Maybe that's just my small play space. I showed my dad VR chat. He wasn't that interested, but he really enjoyed Google Earth VR. I don't know. He like looked around at a bunch of the different places he went like hiking or something. And then I showed my mom VR chat, specifically Yayoi Rusted Train, and she was like, "Oh, this is cool. This is calm or whatever." So, I did that. And then, like, but she didn't seem eager about any of the games. So I was like, "Here, do you want to watch a National Geographic 360 video?" And she was like, "Oh, yes." So,
Yeah, the thing that the only bad thing that I have about the geographic stuff or
Mm.
whatever YouTube video is the quality.
yeah,
You
the
know,
quality. Yeah,
even
the
though you have
YouTube app
a
in Quest is
360,
never
yeah,
amazing. I've seen a couple that
yeah.
are okay, but
So,
none of them are that high quality.
have you ever tried with the PC version or something? I don't know if
I
it's
don't
possible with
know if
PC
there's a
though. Never
PC.
tried.
You can. There are PC video players for VR, but I don't know if there's a YouTube player. I'd have to check. I know again there are like PC video players. I've seen some of them, but I'm not sure about YouTube. I don't know. Somebody probably made something, but I have never tested it. Never come in contact with it.
Yeah.
I just
I
boot up
mean,
YouTube on
yeah,
Quest.
yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's cool you have, you know, a 360 video, but the
Yeah.
quality is like,
But
no.
yeah, it is, and they only give you two options, which
It
is like
looks,
auto and like highest or something like that, or it's like lowest and highest. So it's weird. You can't even select different options. Like I don't know what highest means.
yeah.
Highest could be 480p. Highest could be 8K. I don't know.
Exactly. But it feels like high is like, yeah, 480p.
Yeah, it's
And
not amazing.
probably because Quest wouldn't handle the video in a good, you know, quality.
Yeah, I
Because
mean
we
you
have
can.
actually to think
Yeah.
about
Hmm?
it's like a mobile phone, right? It
Oh,
is
it
the power
is.
of a mobile phone, sort of.
Yeah, you can now, interestingly, well, I mean, you probably already knew this, but you can, like, download video files from the Quest browser, or you can just copy video files over, and then you can just, like, watch those there, so, if you want, you can get, like, a really high-quality video file, but you have to make sure it's, like, does the 360 video the way the Quest will read it right, so it depends. Like, it's not a weird special standard or anything, but I've noticed that some 360 videos I've tried to download are, like, formatted wrong or something, and or like, you know, the way that it lays out the 360 video is messed up, and so the Quest won't play it well. But I don't know. I haven't generally experimented with a lot of that kind of stuff. Yeah, you're a mod again, Argel.
Yeah, I'm going to try downloading some and then try to play on Quest to see how it looks.
Yeah,
Because I really wanted to test a, you know, good quality video, and I don't have any. If you actually have one that really works, that you can send me the link to.
I don't
you
know
can
if I
send me
have
through
any really
Discord.
high quality ones. I can see. I'll look and see if I can find one. The thing I've noticed is that if you're gonna do that, most of the YouTube downloaders I found don't download it at full quality. They don't offer like all the high quality options, and I'm not paying for YouTube Premium. I'll just
I have
use the
YouTube
free
Premium.
version. Oh, fancy.
Because I hate ads. I hate ads.
I mean, see, here's the thing. I use ad block, and then I do the option where I turn off ad block for, like, channels that I actually watch, because in the ad block settings, you can, like, click on it and click allow chat ads on this channel. So if it's a creator that I actually watch a lot and enjoy, I keep the ads on, because, you know, supporting creators is good. And if it's not, then if it's just something like I'm looking up a tutorial and I don't want to be bugged by ads, I'll just leave it on.
Yeah, I used to use the ad blocker as well, but the problem is that I use YouTube the most on my phone, so
Oh,
that's
me
the reason
too.
why
I do.
decided to go with premium. You know.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
Because
There's sites that have
Yeah.
special videos for Oculus VR too.
there's
I know,
some
I've seen some
really
of them.
weird thing about me that when I
Mhm.
go to take a shower, I always play YouTube stuff.
Oh my god, I do that
So
too,
always play
bruh.
YouTube.
I always play like YouTube in the bath. I watch YouTube videos. I listen to YouTube videos.
Yeah. So my bath is about to be like 20 minutes, but then it ends up being like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
My
Oh,
wife
no.
is like, "Why the hell? It took so long. Like, what's going on?"
Yeah.
And I'm like, I got lost, just watching YouTube stuff. Come on,
Yeah, but
leave me alone for a while.
no, I used to watch like Twitch in the bath, but then I stopped watching Twitch, and so now I just watch YouTube videos. It's
Yeah,
like,
the problem with Twitch, yeah, I always enjoy Twitch, but the problem with Twitch is that even though you subscribe, I mean you follow, and you also throw your how's it called, subscription? I forget how Twitch calls it when you actually pays for a channel.
subscription? Yeah.
I think it's subscription, right? Or
Yeah, it
YouTube.
is.
I don't think it's subscription. I think YouTube is subscription.
YouTube is subscription, but so Twitch
no,
follow
no.
is free, and then subscription is paid.
Okay, so
That's
yeah,
how
even
they
though you're a
said it.
subscriber to a Twitch channel, you keep seeing ads, and I
Really?
You know,
Oh no,
why?
I thought it removes ads.
why? No,
No, 'cause
not
it-
at all.
Well, I think
Sometimes I just to a Twitch channel that I follow, and then
Yeah.
I have sub, but I keep seeing like ads randomly
Oh.
showing up.
as far as I knew, it removes
Yep.
ads when you click on the video, but I think the streamer can still choose to run an ad at any time, and then you'll still see that. As far as I know.
Oh, maybe that's the reason why.
But I'm not sure. I don't think it saves you from all ads. I don't know. Twitch is a weird system. But yeah, I don't know. In some ways, it's better for live.
I-
Some of the systems are odd, and like, Jeff Bezos. But
I thought your avatar was sort of smaller, but now that I'm using this one, you look a lot bigger than me.
yeah. But, no, yeah. Oh yeah, and I had the first actually experience today. What my mom was like, "Hey, yo, such and such friend name wants to talk to you about the Quest." I was like, "What? Why would?" And this person is like
What?
one of my mom's friends that knows not much about technology at all. I was like, "Wants to talk to me about the Quest? What?" No, but so she's planning on getting like a Quest 2 for her son, and she asked me for advice, like, "Hey, which model do you recommend, like the 128 or the 256, and is there anything you need?" And yeah, I was like, "Oh yeah, you can get the 128 if he's not gonna be playing a whole lot of games on there, if he's only gonna be downloading a couple things, and you should probably get a facial interface replacement and maybe a head strap." But yeah, that was interesting. I've never been asked about the Quest before. I've never had somebody like come to me and be like, "Hey, VR, what do?" Since
cool.
YouTube is the wrong subscription, should be paid. Yeah. But yeah, it's interesting. It's always cool to have new Quest users.
I remembered one thing. From your Twitch, I entered your link tree something. You know, where the website you have a lot of links about yourself. And I was like, what? I went to your YouTube memes channel.
That thing. Oh
And
god, I forgot I
that
should
one
delete that. I
about
need to delete that.
And that one about the Uno game. You know that meme about the Uno game.
Yeah.
That the kids just with a single card and the other guy's like boom 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 bunch of cards. And that video is in Portuguese. Just to let you know.
I
That
didn't
one
know.
is a Brazilian video, yeah. I was like, what? You're gonna have, a Portuguese video meme, the kind of thing. He probably didn't even know about that,
I did not.
The source of the video.
That's interesting. No, I actually need to private that or delete that because there's so many accounts that I have that I need to exterminate. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. I still keep my old YouTube channel up with all of its videos. I'm not sure. I either privated them or it's still public and nobody knows the name. I could check that right now, but that name is never getting out because, oh my god, some of the things I have put on YouTube in the past as a small child. Oh no, I do not like them.
Yeah.
Actually, let me
happens,
see.
you know.
Let me see if this is, if this channel is still up. Let's see. Yup, it's still public. With 14 subs.
Yeah, but...
And... oh god,
I want to let you know that it doesn't really make any difference if you have, like, videos when you were 10 years old and then you see when you're, like, 14 and if you're like, oh my god, how dumb I was. But even happens with when you were, older. You're like, I'm 30 years old, but if I look at video from me like a year ago, then I see like, oh my god, I was so dumb. Look.
No, I know, but it's the kind of
thing, so.
I understand being like, looking back and reflecting. But I literally had a video posted that was just me pointing a shitty ass point and shoot meant for only photo camera at my iPod Touch and playing NDS for iOS, playing for 2 minutes, and then the camera died, and I just uploaded that. I don't know why.
Why? Kind of cool.
And then there was this one where I was playing the Pokemon online trading card game, and I just pointed the camera at the iPad. It's the worst thing ever. And then the other thing is I talk in these videos and oh my god, listening to my voice is painful. Don't forget the time I tried to do a quote-unquote Pokemon Crystal playthrough and I pointed the camera at my Game Boy. That's right. I pointed the oh god, that was horrible. I despise some of the things I have put on the internet.
Yeah, just do not delete the videos. Just
No, I private some of them. I never delete them.
Yeah.
I privated some videos, never delete them. But oh my god, this is and mind you, this was 4 years ago. This was only 4 years ago. At this point, I look at it and I think
he was 10 years old, right?
Yep, about maybe 9. It depends on the exact dating, but I look at it, I'm like, oh god damn. How have I changed that much in that short amount of time?
Yeah.
But no, I've slowly delisted everything. Everything on almost all of my channels is either delisted or just nobody knows about the channel. So
Do you remember when you got interested in actual gaming when you were like young? Like
Gaming, as
what
in
was the
playing
moment that
video
you like,
games?
oh, yeah.
Um, it really depends because, you know, I played the basic shit like Cut the Rope and Minecraft and Geometry Dash, as any 2010s kid would do. But, I didn't actually have any gaming consoles until I got the Game Boy Color from the closet. Not the closet, the fucking garage, and I bought Blue on that. And then I actually got interested in video games, and so I started getting more interested in gaming around 2016, 2017. That's when I got a 3DS and a Wii U. I know, horrible timing. And then in like 2018 I got a Switch. Now I'm more interested in gaming than before, because I only had Nintendo consoles. But I think it was around 2016, 2017 when I actually started playing video games. Because I only have like 3
What
games
was
for my
your
Game
age
Boy
back-
Color.
Which age were you back then? Back this time? Which
I'm
age
not sure.
were you?
Probably 9 or 10, if I'm not mistaken.
Yep. Yeah, just want to know because I have a nephew and he's 5 years old. But so we I
Yeah.
have the Nintendo Switch right here as well. But he plays for like 5 minutes and then he gets tired of it. That's interesting.
Yeah,
to see,
no,
you know,
believe
so I
me,
was-
my parents were restrictive about that stuff. I didn't play for long either. They said, so the rule used to be, no screen time on the weekdays, and then 30 minutes a day on the weekends. That was the rule. And that would either be
Oh, my.
TV or iPad. And I I wasn't allowed to watch any TV until I think I was about 3 or 4, maybe 5. And then it was PBS. And I can't fault my parents for PBS. PBS, some of the shows were good. I enjoyed some of the shows. But, you know, PBS is like the public broadcasting service. Like, if you have an antenna, a TV antenna, you can get PBS. And so, you know, PBS Kids, that meant I watched stuff like Super Y, Backyardigans, Sid the Science Kid, Dinosaur Train, Wildcrats, Zaboomafoo. Except Zaboomafoo, like, stopped existing just a little bit after I started watching TV. But yeah, and then, mind you, I grew up at a weird time because I watched all these, like, older shows. Right? Like, Dinosaur Train is a 2008 show. I was born in 2007. So I watched things like Dinosaur Train, yet I also watched the Indigo League on Netflix. So, like, as a fucking, like, as a 7 or 8-year-old, I watched Indigo League on Netflix. So, it's weird, because I used a lot of old stuff. You know, I had the Game Boy, because my parents didn't buy game consoles, and stuff like that. Yet, I also, at the same time that I had the Game Boy, I had an iPad with Minecraft. So, it was weird. It was odd. I still have that iPad.
Well, yeah, when my nephew is here, I don't actually restrict him,
Play video games
you know,
before years old.
of any
My parents said that I
playing
spent
time,
between
but
4 hours.
he actually
the first
he
level of
asks
Spider-Man
for
the
like, can I
PS1.
play like Spider-Man game on your
Oh,
PC?
yeah.
And I just you can play,
Ah,
and he
cool.
like plays for 5 minutes, and he's like, oh, he lost interest. That's why
Yeah,
I'm
I
asking you
getcha.
when you really got interested by gaming. You know?
Yeah. No, that's when I
Because
got
he likes,
interested.
sometimes, hey, can I play Mario Kart? And I'm like, okay, you play Mario Kart. Grab the Switch, and he's like playing, and then 5 minutes, 10 minutes later, he's like, I'm done. Okay, I don't want to
Yeah.
play anymore, and that's it. and I'm like, why? Why a fucking kid that can play anytime? He doesn't want to play.
Yeah. No, that's when I really got interested, because those were the times when, you know, I would actually, like, be under the covers with the Game Boy or with the iPad. Like, that was the, that was what I would do, because, you know, I have iPad, but iPad doesn't have Pokemon now, does it? You know, like, I can't get my Pokemon fix on there, except, oh god, so I've tried myself, I've watched, not all of them, but I've watched a good deal of Pokemon movies, except I watched some of them on YouTube. You know the thing where they, like, split a movie into, like, 25 different, like, 10-minute clips or whatever. Or like, you know, like 5-minute clips. That's what that's how I watched most of them. Or I watched the ones that were on Netflix, and then the rest I just watched on weird bootleg sites. But I did watch some of them, like that was fun. That was fun. That was good times. Like, oh my god. I've made so many memories with my I've only, you know, this was only a couple years ago, but I made so many memories with my Switch late at night. Just like playing games. That was fun times. Fun times. Like, it's weird because I get to say the Game Boy Color was my childhood, but yet also Nintendo Switch was my childhood. So it's very odd. You know, I don't know, this is gonna sound really fucking weird, but you know, like, electronics, when they get hot and all toasty, they have a certain smell to them. Like, the Nintendo Switch, when it gets warm, it has a certain very specific smell that I will always remember, and I don't know why, and it's really weird, but it does. Like when you boot up Breath of the Wild.
So it probably reminds you the 3DS smell when it gets hot, probably.
Yeah, maybe, yeah. In my
Yeah,
experience, the
I
3DS
think
didn't
I
get
should-
really hot.
I think the biggest thing is that when you have restrictions, you get interested. So next time my nephew
Yup.
comes here, I'll say, no, you can't play Nintendo Switch, you can't play PC. Just play with Lego, and that's it. And he
No,
was going
that's
to be like interested
often
to
how it
play
is.
more.
Yeah, that's I found that every time restrictions have been imposed, that makes me and other just kids in general more likely to try to circumvent them. It's good old-fashioned fun.
Yeah.
If I can circumvent the parental controls on my phone and access the internet at any time, I'm gonna do that shit. I'm gonna, you know, in like iOS 12 or something, there was a thing where, you know, you can like time out the internet browser as much as you want, but through the password manager in the settings app, you can access web pages. You can click on the thing that says change your password for a certain website. So if I had my Google credentials saved, I could just click on that change password, and then through that, like, window, I could get to the internet. And that was my gateway to the world. Like, circumventing things is fun. And when you can't circumvent, you sneak, and you get other things. Like, kids do that a lot. Believe me.
Workaround.
I didn't buy the budget Android phones I have because I wanted an Android phone. I have an Android phone. There are reasons why I bought them. Because they were like, one of them was like $40 from Rite Aid. I just like walk to a convenience store. It was $40. I was like, ooh. Ooh.
So why not?
Yeah, why not? No, actually, oh, one thing, actually, just, this is really random, but speaking of those phones, one thing that's on the Motorola phones that I absolutely love, and I wish was on other phones, is, if you shake the phone, like, not just shake it, but you have to do, like, 2 chops with your hand, like, you make here, I'll pull my controller, you go like that, twice, it turns on the flashlight automatically. And that's been so useful. Like, it's...
Oh, yeah,
it
I
requires
remember
just
that,
enough strength that you can't... Well, you can, but that you generally don't activate it accidentally. But it's really convenient. It's been so useful. But yeah. Man, again, I love the Motorola phones. The only problem is they don't sell mid-rangers. They sell budget phones, and they sell, like, I'm not sure, their phone is, like, I think that other phone was, like, the, like, really upper mid-range, and then they have the Razr, and I don't want a folding phone. If they sold a flagship or a mid-ranger that wasn't a folding phone, I would buy it, but they don't. I want something that specifically has a Qualcomm chipset, because some of MediaTek's practices are mildly sketchy, and they often don't perform as well. And that's, you know, gonna perform well and has a And generally has at least some features. Oh, I need to plug in my headset. Heck. Oh yeah, I haven't asked you, what phone do you use? I don't think I've asked you that.
Oh, one sec.
Of course.
Let me just.
Kids these days is weird. I have a distant nephew that is 6.
Good now.
Only play with the Switch for 2 seconds before getting bored. He prefers watching YouTube than playing games. Yeah, but Gira, it folds. Yeah, but that means it's more fragile.
Like my headset's more heavy today.
Oh,
on my
yeah.
head. I don't know the reason why.
Huh, that's weird.
Feels like it. Feels like
Yeah.
yes, really.
Back the other days, it felt like so soft, but now it's like really heavy or something. I don't know.
Very weird. I don't know. My headset feels same weight as normal, although the cable always makes it feel like it weighs more. Maybe it's just the fact that it, you know, the cable kind of pulls it down a bit, but it always makes it feel more obviously there.
So the phone I have right now, I think it's sort of already old, but it's a good phone. It's how do you say in English? Phones from Xiaomi or
Oh,
Xiaomi,
Xiaomi.
I'm not
Yeah, yeah.
sure
They
how you call it.
yeah, no, it's
Yeah.
still Xiaomi. It's
yeah. Mi not 9T Pro, I think.
Oh,
something
very
like it.
nice. No, they
Xiaomi-
offer very good value
yeah,
phones.
Xiaomi.
The
Yeah.
actually, I remember when the Mi 11 came out, seeing the reviews were amazing on that. The only problem is Xiaomi doesn't sell the Mi 11 in the US. They sell a couple phones in the US, but not a lot of the newer ones, as far as I've seen. And also, generally, a lot of people here buy on contract, and let's face it, mobile carriers here are in hard for Samsung, Apple, and a couple other phone brands. I think my carrier offers some Motorola phones, and they still technically offer the LG Velvet, but LG is not in the phone market anymore, so like they only gave me like 2 options, and since a lot of people buy on contract just because, you know, it's more affordable than paying like an extra $20 a month than paying $1,000 for a new flagship. So a lot of people buy on contract. Like one of my friends, he was like, "Oh, hey, I want help choosing a new phone." And you know, I looked at all the stuff. I was like, "Okay, here's what you can get for this price. That's good." And he was like, "Oh, actually, I'm buying on contract." And his carrier only gave him options of a iPhone, the newer Samsungs, and Huawei. So phone carriers are picky and annoying.
I can
Oh,
say,
fuck, I
as
just dropped my
someone
phone.
who's been a cell phone technician for the past 5 years, I am professionally trained by Google, Samsung, Apple, and I have began my LG and Motorola things before they stopped producing phones. So
Yeah.
sad. But I know how to do basically everything up to the S20, basically down to the motherboard.
Oh,
And
fancy.
cell phone and carriers are the biggest fucking assholes to work with.
Oh,
I
believe me,
really
carriers are
really hate
Ooh.
them. I'm so for a free and like. Do you know what the original plan for Wi-Fi was supposed to be?
No, I do not.
The original plan for Wi-Fi was, since everybody had an internet and everybody had routers inside their houses, Wi-Fi would be a interconnected wireless network giving free broadband across the entire United States
Yeah.
using the routers that people already had.
Okay.
It would be a free unilateral service for everybody to benefit from.
Yeah.
But no, they corporatized it and they literally are fucking over everybody in the progress of humanity for profits.
Yeah, they tend to do that. Big companies want their money. They really want to,
Yeah.
like, ooh. The
But
top
you
3
know- you know
carriers
what
in
we
the
gotta
US
do?
are really large and they charge
Did
way
you
too
know?
much.
Did you know
What do we gotta do?
that in the past 2 years, the top 1% has gotten 80% of all revenue produced, and
Yeah.
the 99 only got 20% of the value. So that means literally the rich have more money combined than all the 99%,
That
twice
is
over at this
that
point.
is how it works. I think I saw a thing a while back that was comparing how wealth is skewed in the U.S. versus how people believe wealth is skewed in the U.S.
Oh,
and it was vastly different.
It's not just the U.S. It's the world.
Yeah, no, that's how the world works. You got the upper class has so much of the money.
Do you know what the solution? Do you know what the solution is? As
Eat the
as the
rich?
Uyghur, yeah, well, kind of eat the rich. It is make your own militia, become free sanctioned states. And say fuck you to the government. Tell police to go fuck themselves and to mind your own business. Seriously. And I am
See,
full
what if
anarchist,
I'm a
and,
lazy bitch and I don't want to get off my ass and do anything? What then?
Well, have fun being under the boot of your dictators.
I. That was interesting.
What is going on?
I don't know. Very interesting guy. Yeah. Before meeting Gira, I thought everyone in the US was rich because of the movies. Yeah, stereotypes, my dude. Aw, heart. Very nice. Aw. Wait. Should I move? Okay. Aww. Very nice. See, look, finally, a nice person in VR chat that's not just here to troll.
Yep.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure many people cross the border thinking like that too. Yeah, because America, not America, I should say United States, because America is the entire fucking continent. The U.S. often portrays itself as one of the countries where if you work hard and no, you can succeed. No, you fucking can't. That's not how it works. This is capitalism. What? So no horny bat. What? But I'm not. What? Ah, no.
What is going on?
I'm going into hiding.
Oh, you're... What?
But no, the truth is a lot of people that come here get no money, work minimum wage jobs as minimum wage slaves, or they get exploited by companies. And then, once they're no longer of use to the companies, or when they complain or try to unionize, if they don't have papers, they get fucking deported. That's how it works. The entire system is broken, and employers are taking advantage of people, and everything is fucked.
What
But
are
that's
you
how the
doing?
world works. Oh, nothing. Just I was just hiding in the corner while ranting about how the entire world is broken.
Let's go here. Excuse me, let's go here.
Oh.
Okay. Bye, everybody.
Okay. Bye-bye. figure I should get?
Finally.
Actually, in a pub lobby, I should probably switch to my Quest compatible avatar. There we go. Oop. And now I'm small.
You're smaller than me.
Oh, hello.
No.
Uh.
Yes, indeed. Hello.
Pillow. Very much pillow.
I'm so tired.
Oh, same.
I'm laying in my bed right now.
Oh,
Shit,
nice.
fuck.
Yeah. Man, I used to do that a lot, man. Just the place-based thing is nice. You can just not do anything and be lazy.
Yeah. I just got on my bed like a few minutes ago.
Oh, yeah.
Cause like, you know, I feel tired. My VR headset's about to die. So I
Oh,
was like, you know, I'm
yeah.
gonna move to my bed.
Yeah, I get you. Oh, this game often makes me tired, especially worlds like Midnight Rooftop, where the atmosphere is so... What's the word? Not chill, kind of chill, but not exactly. I don't know. Rainy days just make me tired. They sap my strength. It's been raining almost all day today, so I'm already tired. Like, I know, it's really weird because it doesn't rain here. It just doesn't rain. Like,
Really?
ever. No, yeah, this is Southern California. It doesn't rain. We're in a very horrible drought, and then today it's just like, nope, I'm gonna rain all day. The entire day. Like, I checked the weather forecast this morning, and it said 100% chance.
I'm gonna rain on you. I'm gonna
Yeah.
rain on you. Why?
I'd never seen the forecast say 100% chance of rain. Like, it was morning. It wasn't raining at all, and I checked the forecast, and later in the day it was like 100% chance of rain. I've never seen them do that.
Interesting.
Like, the capitalism works more than other forms of
I'm
economy.
waiting for my cable, but it's fucking delayed. It
Oh.
was supposed to come in like today, but fucking not.
Oh no. Well, that's not good.
Yeah, I'm trying to play Phasmophobia, man, but my
Yeah.
cable didn't come in.
I mean, hey, Link is great once you get it working. That's what I'm playing with now. I'm playing the quest with Link, so it's very nice.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get.
Yeah.
I don't feel like getting up because my chips are on my desk, bro.
Oh, Capitalism works better than other forms of economy, but it's not ideal because the only reason we're saying that is because all quote-unquote communist and or socialist societies haven't worked
But that's alright, I guess.
perfectly.
I don't care what I'm doing now. I know it's in your chat.
But no, it's because communism in theory is a good idea, but it's never been enacted well. Because humans are fatally flawed. Oh, hi, Kitsune! I didn't know you were still here.
Don't make notifications on my phone.
Oh no, I mean, hey, I keep mine on like do not disturb on 24/7 because I got tired of all the notifications. Oh, why am I being shot? What have I done? Sir.
Dies. The end.
I mean, I knew this was gonna happen one day, but what? It's good on paper, but bad because people are always greedy. Yep.
My arm start of getting some. I don't know how to explain. Like it's getting heavy.
Oh.
The arm that I just took the second vaccine dose.
Yeah. Well, that's the start. Can't fool me. I have no sounds for Discord on.
Fuck. I got so many people with that.
Nope, I have none of my Discord desktop sounds on because I'm in a billion different servers, and I would hear every 3 seconds, so I don't have them on. Just turned it all off.
I'm always on Do Not Disturb.
Yeah.
Oh. Hello.
Oh yeah, Fizz, I haven't asked. What'd you do today? Anything interesting?
I ruin people's days.
A couple meetings actually. Nothing really, aside of that.
Okay, yeah.
That would be
just
interesting.
an average day, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, actually,
It fooled me.
few
Oh,
cool
yeah.
meetings, and another one was like an employee asking for salary raise.
Oh, I see. Cool. I don't even have Discord installed on PC or running in browser, so yeah. I get you.
Uh-oh. 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 There we go.
How long I've been on? Almost 2 hours. Sheesh. Think I might hop on Beat Saber in a second, actually. Oh yeah, it's this person.
Sure, I love loving.
Wait, what is? Who is that?
My McLovin driver's license.
McLovin? What? Who is?
Yeah.
Who is
someone left
that?
it- Someone left it in the Happy Mail, bro.
Oh.
You know how to like, you know.
Damn. Sir, I think your driver's license is a little bit expired.
Probably. You know.
Yeah, by about
May
by
not
about
be.
12 years, if I'm not mistaken.
Please be true. In other words, I love you.
God damn, this is a nice singer, bro.
Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true.
I'm so close to like to my window, bro. I'm trying to break.
I love you.
Jesus, Squid Game song? What do you mean the Squid Game song? Where is the Squid Game song?
I sworn that I knew you way past my dreams.
Huh?
And you were my big blue horizon and things.
Very nice. Yeah.
Oh, my sunshine, the sweet wine, my happiest memory. I still have sworn that you love me.
Very cool. Oh no, I'm lagging bad. Okay, there we go.
I walk across an empty land.
Why must you do this?
I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. Felt the earth.
I'm joking, but I heard people say that Fly Me to the Moon is a Squid Game song. What the fuck do you mean? No, it's not. It's not a Squid Game song, sir.
Those simple things were
Sir.
Hey, what
I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in.
Turn on everybody's avatar.
I'm getting
Oh. Oh, I regret showing that. Okay.
Your fucking hands.
My frame rate just went downhill.
My friend invited me.
Pain.
Oh.
To talk about it
Hey.
Are you waving at me or
Hello?
somebody else? It's fucking tall.
Someone's on the
Your
record.
ass jump, woman.
That's why.
Where'd he go?
Where
the fuck did he go? Wait, you got PC? How the fuck is he not dead yet?
Me?
Where the
Yeah,
fuck are you?
I'm on PC.
How strong is your PC though? That's a real question.
Not top tier. Has Core i7 10870H, RTX 3060 mobile, and 16
Like,
gigs of RAM.
if you had to rate it 1 out of 10, if you had to rate it 1 out of 10, what would you rate it?
In terms of, is this taking into account that it's a laptop, or are we talking about just in terms of all PCs? Are we talking rating in terms of laptops?
No,
or...
just Just your rating, your personal rating. Like, how do you think it runs? Like,
My
do you
personal
think
rating.
it's good to be a PC? Like,
Yes. My personal rating is probably an 8 out of 10 because it didn't break my wallet, but it runs very well for a laptop.
No, man. Like, out of everybody else's PC, like, do you think yours is like a 5, 4, a 3, or 2? Or
Out
maybe
of
like a
out of
6 or
everyone
7?
else's PC, I'd say it's probably a 6, considering that the most popular graphics card in the Steam hardware survey is a 1060. So apparently a crap ton of people are still using 1060, so I'd say it's probably a 6, because it's not comparable
Well, here,
to a desktop.
I have a thing that can test your PC.
Mm-hmm.
It's not gonna crash you or anything. So it's not gonna do that. It just like if you have like, see if people have like a good ass PC. That's what I've been asking. There's just Avatar that can. I'm just gonna test it.
Oh, cool. I mean, I have
'Cause if
benchmarks.
your
I've
avatar-
already
if
run
you're-
like Passmark and shit. But I don't know if that'd be the
Here,
best
hold on, wait
test
here,
because
let me
I have a couple things open in the background. I have fucking OBS open and I have a
It's
couple
not gonna
people's
crash your
avatars
shit.
shown.
You have a.
Okay.
Wait, what did you say you have on your? Wait, what'd you say?
I have a 3060 mobile.
Okay, it shouldn't crash your shit.
Hopefully not.
It should. No, it shouldn't at all. You should just be able to walk off.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you have my avatar on?
I do. Let's see.
Okay.
Ah,
just
it's
tell me
one of
when you're
those
ready.
animations. Okay. Gotcha.
You ready?
Yeah. I'm ready for the low frames. Yeah, I'm gonna be crashed today. Or my PC's gonna get to 100% usage. I can feel it. Yeah. Yeah, VR chat crashed. Yeah, he said it ain't gonna crash me or anything, but I should know not to trust people in pub lobbies. VR chat crashed. You have a crasher. That's fine, I'll just rejoin Fizz and hide his avatar. I'll rejoin. VR chat was not having fun there. Yeah, no, okay. Oh! Did my overlay just die? Oh, okay, there we go. That means you don't have a good PC? No, it means it was a fucking crasher. Right, let me go ahead really quick. No, camera. Stream. Boopity bippity boppity. Social. Let's rejoin Fizz, because things is breaky, and I'm probably gonna go hide that avatar. I mean, I can't expect it to run well with OBS up in the background, that's fine. If you die, I could totally die too. Oh, definitely. Bro, you have a 1060 and you have a 3 gig.
Yo,
you cracked?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Your shit went out in a second, bro.
Yeah, I know.
I went
Bitch, you
bam. This shit was
you
out.
crashed me. Goddamn.
It's okay. Sometimes they do that. It's probably just the amount of people in the server.
Probably that. I have a couple other people shown, and again, OBS is up in the background.
You okay?
Yeah, no, I'm, oh my god, I was muted. Fuck, I was speaking the entire time. Okay, yeah, no, I just crashed. I think it's because
His
I
shit
have, I
went
don't
out
know.
in 2 seconds.
But I have a couple other people shown, and OBS is in the background, so maybe that's why. But also, I have a laptop, so my card benchmarks at around the same power as a 1660 Ti. So,
So basically, you're saying you would have withstand whatever I just did on you. You would have withstand that, with ease.
it depends. It depends. Maybe, it's possible I just have other people shown, and it's
No,
possible
I held
it's
it
just
up to
I'm
you.
running your stuff.
I held it up for
Yeah?
you. I held it up at you for a half a second. You were out.
Yeah, I know. But I'm not sure. Again, I have things running in the background. My GPU usage is... I'm not doing as well as I would do with nothing else running. So who knows? Who knows, but maybe my PC ain't good enough. It's a laptop. I can't fault it for not being at desktop levels of performance. If it runs VR chat, I don't give a shit. It works, it works.
Somebody just say me? What the fuck? What?
Yeah, 90% sure that guy intentionally crashed me. He was just like, test your PC. I'm 90% sure that was an intentional crash, but it's okay. Also, I'm gonna switch to Beat Saber soon. Oh. Hey, Fizz, you there? Oh, okay. Well. Fezzy's still in the world. Is it possible he just moved?
Oh shit,
Not you.
I thought you were talking to me.
Yeah,
I was
you
like,
go
what?
kid. And woman, I'm not afraid of you. So the whole you don't you fucking dare never works on me. I'm gonna cross that line eventually because I don't fucking like him. Because just reasons, you know? Yeah, I just don't fucking like him.
Oh.
You bring the I bring the Jack Daniels. He doesn't
Ba-da-ba-dum.
So fuck you, fuck him, and most of all, fuck me. I'm gonna have a happier
Yeah,
birthday.
I want to switch to Beat Saber soon, so we'll see if,
Those were my words.
is he still on? No, I think he either got off or crashed or something, because I don't see him. But I need to get off. I might just send him a message on Discord. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna hop off VR chat. Just real quick. And, maybe play a bit of Beat Saber, maybe play a bit of Genshin. It depends how I'm feeling. And then get off. It says Fizz is still online and in Midnight Rooftop, but... Oh, he's on my online friends list. Okay, wait, maybe I'll join back, because now it says he's online, so maybe he just crashed? Because I don't want to just desert him. Oh, everything's flashing before my eyes. Oh, pain.
You're right, man. Keep dying.
Oh, no, I'm good. I was about to log off. I just can't find Fizz. I want to, like, inform him that I'm leaving so I don't just disappear, but it doesn't show him in this world.
Just disappeared, dude.
Yeah. Hey, it was nice to meet you. I was actually gonna get off because it's been, like, what, 2 hours now, so... But have a good night, and here, I'm gonna shoot you a friend request.
Alright, send you one.
Yeah, see ya. Alright, so I did that. I think Fizz just died. If he inquires, I can tell him what has happened. Oh, let me accept that real quick. And then, yeah, I'm gonna play Beat Saber real quick. So whatever makes you happy, of course. I'm gonna play Beat Saber. We'll see how that goes. And then I might switch to Genshin. We'll see. But I'll be back in just a moment. Ah, that was a quick transition. Oh, is camera 2 non-existent? Has there been an update? Is camera 2 non-existent? Hello? Camera 2? No! No, they updated the game! No! No, my mods! No! Wait, no. I'm not doing... Okay. Modassistant.exe. Please tell me they have mods for the updated version. Please. Oh, good. Oh my god. If they didn't have the mods updated for this new version, oh, that would be painful. But it's okay. It's okay. They have the mods. Hopefully Camera 2 was in the mods I selected to install. I'm just gonna relaunch here. Ah, pain. I hate it how Beat Saber auto-updates, even though I tell it not to. I tell it not to update, and it updates anyways. Okay, okay. Oh, health and safety warning. Oh, it's glitching out. It's glitching out. Okay, so my songs are loaded, but Camera 2's not existent. Give me a minute. I have to relaunch Mod Assistant and see if Camera 2's still there. Modassistant.exe. Please, 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 please. I hope Camera 2 is still available. Please, please. Like, I can't. Oh, good. Camera 2. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, good. Good. Thank you, bro. That's so helpful. Okay, okay. Installed. Now I can relaunch. It might bug me to set up Camera 2 again, but at least I will have it. At least it will not freak the fuck out and not do it. I hope it'll keep my configuration from before, but I can't be sure. Yay! Yes! Yes! It has worked. It has worked! Lag. Oh, pain. Okay, there we go. Everything's working. I have my songs. It is Beat Saber time. Let me adjust my headset strap. Oh, Oculus just sent me a notification. I hope it's not my... Headset power is low. Fuck. Okay, well, it looks like I am only gonna play a couple songs. That's fine. What do I want to play that I wasn't able to play before? How about... Supernova? I want to play that. But... In fact, fuck it. Expert Plus. Why not? Oh shit, okay, wait, no. I need to take off my bracelet. I can't play Beat Saber with the bracelet on. It hits the controller. Pain. Okay, there we go. Restart. Let's do it. Yes! Yes! Decent frame rates! Yes! Actually, I do need to pause. The window is in a place where it's very distracting, but that's so... You know what? Fuck it. I'm not gonna pause. I'm just gonna let the window distract me and hope I don't fail. You know, one thing I love about the new 400 meg internet is that it makes uploading VODs to a second YouTube channel that I have much easier because, like, uploading still takes a while, but I can download a couple hour Twitch VOD in, like, 2 or 3 minutes. Before, I was spending, like, up to 30 minutes downloading larger Twitch VODs. But now it's so fast that I can actually, like, do that kind of thing easily. I mean, again, upload speeds still aren't amazing, but they're very good compared to what they had dropped to. Oh, I'm missing so much shit. It's fine, it's fine. I'm playing for fun, not to be amazing. Oh, shit, I wasn't paying attention. No, 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 no. Okay. Yeah, I'm only gonna get to play a couple songs, then I'll switch to desktop. Yeah, I'm glad my internet isn't going in and out anymore. My router's back. So Airlink isn't going in and out anymore. I'm getting decent speeds. I can download things fast. Things are finally going well and looking up. Well, in terms of internet and that kind of stuff. My PC is still struggling a little bit with VR chat, but that's how it's gonna be. It's a laptop. I can't fault it for that. It's a very good laptop. Oh my god, I haven't played Ready 2 in so long. I need to. I can't do Expert Plus. It's too challenging, but still. I can at least do Expert. I haven't successfully played this in a while. Headset power is very low. Please plug in your headset soon. Nah, mate. I'm gonna do another song and then switch games because, holy heck. My headset is low, and it's probably gonna jank out soon, but fuck it, I'm gonna play one more song. What do I want to do? Campfire? Fuck it. except hopefully it's not gonna lag out this time and kill me. No, I'm not doing as well today, that's fine. Just here to have fun. Not trying to break no world records or anything. Ah, shit. Okay. Yeah, I should probably switch now, because generally, when it says headset battery very low, it means, like, 10%, so I should get off Beat Saber. I'll be back in a minute playing Genshin. Ha. one moment, please. Great, let's switch to Genshin. Get that display capture. And it's time for a little bit of Genshin Impact before I get off. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. How goes it? Alright, come on. Preparing to load the data. Come. Oh, heck. Oh, heck, I'm here. Okay. Well, I didn't know I would spawn here. I can finish this fight, I guess, but... Oh, right, because I was trying stuff earlier and I just logged off, and right here, I didn't teleport away or anything.
Let's light it up!
Catapulted into this fight. Ow.
I taste blood.
It's fine, I'll
Let's light it up!
It's not gonna take too much time, only like 5 minutes at most.
Let's light it up! Teamwork is dreamwork!
Come on, there we go. Yeah, that's right. Hit! Yes. Yes, 2D damage. Yes. Maximum damage. Oh. Ah. Oh! Oh shit. Okay, you know what? Screw the battle. Screw the battle. I don't need it anyways. I should probably just go and do my dailies. Jeez, I can do that stuff later. If I really need to. I should do my dailies. Alright. What are my dailies? I should check. Oh, I don't believe I've done. Ooh, mail. Eula. Oh, okay. No, man, I don't know much about end-user license agreement. Okay, yeah, I have not done my dailies.
Wow.
Oh, that's far away. That's very far. Oh, it's an Inazuma quest. A challenging one. Okay. I see. Here we go then. I need to at least get my dailies.
It always
If I
rains
don't,
when I go on
so
an
if I don't get my
adventure.
dailies done now, I won't get them done at all. And then
Off we go.
that wouldn't be good. Generally, it's good practice to do my dailies. When more story comes out, I will notify you. Like, I'm trying and I will play it, but I'm just trying to get by. I'll do like an entire day that's just a Genshin stream at some point, but. Oh, I need to put Amber back in my party again. I need a bow character. Deploy. Alright, 2. Am I supposed to destroy the red or the blue? Okay, I think I'm supposed to destroy the blue, aren't I? Okay, I'm supposed to destroy the blue, I'm pretty sure now. Okay, so I don't need to charge up. I can literally just do short. I just have to hit them with a single arrow. There we go, that was simple. Now I can talk to him. Hope you were watching closely. Alright, cool. Now I can go ahead and deploy my other party, because I don't like this one. There we go. Alright, time for more dailies. Alright, that's the closest one. It's only like 84 meters away. Not too bad I don't have anything electro on me. So I can't do the little teethy. Oh, there's one right here. Emergency. I see it is an emergency. Defeat the Mirror Maiden. Heck. I've fallen. Where is the Mirror Maiden? That's not a Mirror Maiden. This the Mirror Maiden? This is. It says Mirror Envoy. So I think this is supposed to be.
Let's light it up!
Or Envoy, not Envoy. My pronunciation. It's broken.
Fool, be
My
gone!
pronunciation. It's broken.
Winter, shall we venture?
Cool. Where's the next quest? There's one right up there. Perfect, right in the Pujo encampment. It's one of the time limit ones. Oh well, it's fine. I can do it. Oh, let's get this one. It's from the electro golf over. Oh wait, ooh. No. Where do I need to go? Wait. What is the location I must reach? Is it up here? Do I have to get up what? Okay, wait. No. Okay, up here. I'm here. Okay, I have to go over here. Oh, I see what I must do. Okay, now I'm here. Now I'm here. No! Okay. Maximum pain. I can't finish this. I ran out of electricity. I have to get to the top of here. I can't get to the top of here. Can I? Yeah, I can't. It is impossible. No! Okay, so I actually have to do it in the allotted time. And I have to do it fast enough, or else I'm done for, and I can't fall. Okay. Here we go. It's time to start. Ah, perfect. There we go. One of those weird trees again. The weird shock tree. Very odd. Oh, it's an Electro Abyss main. We don't like that. We really don't like that. Okay, you know what? Fuck you. Fuck you. Okay.
Let's light it up! Everybody stand back! Let's move!
Ow. There we go. One down. One to go. No! No! Raise her down! Sorry, I had to go for a second, but I'm back. Oh! Hi, back. I'm Giratina.
As a dutiful
Who's
man
that?
would, leave it all to me. I'll catch up.
How do you like that? Taste your own If I go ahead and pick up this dude, will the tree still attack me? Why, yes, it still attacks me. Anyways, I should probably go heal and then do more dailies. Why? Because you always did it to me. Now therefore I must do it to you. But yeah, hi, welcome back, Richilla. I'm just vibing here, playing some Genshin, you know, doing my thing. I say I should offer this. Now I only need to offer more Electroculus, and then I can get the Rhinogen. But yeah, I'm just vibing, playing Genshin,
I'll catch up.
This thing. I was gonna play a bit of Beat Saber. I did. Then my headset got very low battery. So that's, you know, not amazing. So literally when I powered it on, it was at 2%. Legitimately 2%. So needless to say, I decided to switch to Genshin. So I'm playing Genshin now just for a bit. I probably have 30 minutes left max. At least your headset works. Yeah, at least it works. And I can play cable. But I don't have. I can play plugged in. But I don't have fluid to route my charging cable. So Beat Saber while charging is not an option. And you know, I just got no VR chat. So but yeah, I'm glad it works at least, and I'm glad I can run VR chat. Oh, this dude's an electro flower.
Let's light it up. Off we go.
Hey, buddy.
Let's
Hey.
light it up.
There are more enemies. No, it's another electro flower. Fuck you, bitch. What else in your stream? Missing out would be sad. Yeah, I guess so. I'm glad this works. I'm glad all my stuff works. I finally got everything back and working, so that's good.
Let's light it up.
I got my router, that works. I got my headset, that works. It's another fucking flower. What is up with never-ending flowers?
Let's light it up.
Despise these things.
Let's light
Okay,
it
this
up.
is the last flower.
Let's light it up.
Yeah, I'm super glad that I've got everything back, everything working, and not being sick.
I'm going in.
Oh, pain, okay. Oh shit, I just remembered. I told a friend I would play Trackmania with them today, and that didn't happen. Oh. Oh, fucking lovely. Oh no, now I feel bad. Shit. I have to remember tomorrow. I'll set myself like a reminder or something, so that I won't forget again, because I don't want to forget. Let me go claim my rewards and dispatch characters. It's always good to do that now, so I don't forget later. Let's face it, I forget things a lot.
Add Astro.
Hey, Catherine. Want Mora. Give Mora. Give Mora. Dispatch Sarah. And oh right, that's the way I've done. Okay, Razor. Natalia. Should have sent out Lisa there, but I misclicked it and sent out Razor.
Add
That's
Astro.
fine. Doesn't really matter who gets sent out, as long as I'm sending out the people that give me the bonuses. There we go. Oh, only an AR-47. Really need to ascend. Oh, I need to ascend a lot. Okay. Let's teleport here and heal real quick. So let's see. It's okay, 937. So I don't have time to do a big quest or a big thing like that domain. That's saved for another day. What are some smaller quests I can do? You know, let's talk to the furnace, because it seems like these are quests that I can stop easily, you know, the world stuffs. So, I'll go talk to this dude, because I can stop that. I'm probably gonna keep going for about 10 more minutes, about, then start ending it off. Just so I have enough time to end well. Yep. Okay. Ah, the lurk. Nice. Thank you for lurking. Consider it done. Oh, I literally just brought him back some shit, but... Fine, I'll go and use the photo taking function to take a picture. Yeah, I know. Actually, let's switch to Traveler, because I don't really mind if you die. Okay. Yeah, I'm using health upgrade. Wait, where's the photo taking feature? Where's the photo taking feature? How do you take photo? Help. Where's the button to take photos? Oh no, okay. Maybe in settings, key bindings. Yeah, quick use gadget 3. You know what? Let me see. Do I have the camera equipped as my quick use gadget? Maybe I don't. Camera equipped. Yay. Z. Did I? Oh. Z. Is that what I needed to do? Use the photo taking function. I'm using the photo taking function. Oh! Do I need to go upwards? Is that what I need to do? There we go! Okay, that's what I wanted. Thank you. Where's my teleporty? I want my teleporty. Yes. Good. Okay, now I'm just gonna go over here. Avoid all these.
Let me try my.
Oh no! Can't get the photo while I'm gonna fight. No. Well, now I gotta fight these bitches. Okay. And all while being killed by radiation.
Let's light it up.
help
Get
staff
back.
deal with radiation.
Why do
It's
they never
okay.
miss? Teamwork is dreamwork.
I'll do all this shit with a smile on my face. Hey, are you enjoying this? Are you dying a lot? Yes, I am dying a lot.
You win.
I certainly am. I'm enjoying it.
Light it up.
Very fun. Okay, I need to kill this dude. He's healing
Let's light
people,
it up.
and that's not very nice. It's not very nice of you. I'm working hard to kill you and your friends, and you're just healing each other.
Take me.
Not very cool. Not cool, dude.
I'm ready.
Okay, there we go.
Light it up.
Good. The thing is, the one person who can't heal is himself. No, fuck. No, I messed up. Yeah, well, that was that attack
Could
pretty
it
much
break?
wasted.
Curse.
Because, you know, I'm just dying of radiation here while these bitches want to make me fucking fight. I can't take a photo while I'm dying of radiation and fighting these people. So, I have to kill them to actually be able to take the photo.
Steady as
Sir,
stone.
please. Just perish. Perish. Oh my god. It's taking so long. Walking away, which is good. But I'm slowly taking a lot more damage, and that's not good.
Windblade.
Okay, good. And Stop. Oh my god. I'm gonna. No! Okay, yeah, I am not winning this. Okay, yeah, okay. I don't want to have to fight these fuckers again. I'm just gonna use some food right now. Finish this bitch off right now. Ow. Or not. Or I'm not gonna finish him off. Maybe he's too powerful to finish off right here. Okay. Come on. Okay, heal. Right the fuck now. Right here, right now. That's the photo they want? That's the photo they want. That's the photo they want. Good, now I can get this fuck out of here. This part is difficult? Yeah.
This is not the end.
The minute I get out of there alive, I know my characters die. The timing could not have been more perfect. Okay, right. Heal me, please. Please. Heal me. Okay. Now I can move back towards the quest. Yes, process certainly is everything. Let's see. Alright. Yep, I have. Submit. There are my photo. Okay. Well, I'm not 100% paying attention to this lore here. It's fine. Okay. Preparations, gotcha. Well, that bit of the quest was completed, so that's cool. There's probably more of it that I need to do. Oh, no, not at the moment. Maybe there's some other kind of thing I need to do in order to unlock the next bit. Probably. Maybe I have to complete some other quest. But, hey, that's cool, Well, geez. Oh, it says there's an electrical around here. There's one up there. Okay, because, like, if I get one more Electroculus, I can get, like, 16 Primal Gems from the statue. So, I'm gonna go get that. One sec. I want that Electroculus. Shit. I want it. Give Electroculus. Alright. Give me Electroculus. Give me, no! Okay, good, good. Perfect. Now I can just teleport to the statue. And get my level up. Yes, I wish to worship. And there we go. Yes, very nice. 60 primal gems, and I've got a Depths of Inazuma Shrine key too. That's cool. There was a shrine that I wasn't. There was a shrine that I wasn't able to. What does the Violet Flash thing do? Actually, whoa, what's this? Sort of remembrance. There are a lot of interesting items that I've never really looked at, actually. Anyways, I need to go ahead and see what is that little thing and what is it used for. Okay, yeah. Plus items. Do not see it here. Like, I know that. I know what those are, and I know what these sigils are for, but this? No, that's just the... Then where did the thing go, and what is it used for? Maybe it's used for Electro Traveler. I don't know. Can't be sure. What time is... Yeah, might be time to start getting off. In fact, I think I may just do a wish and get off now. I didn't intend to play Genshin for a long time anyways. You know, it's towards the end of the stream. Again, I'll do an entire stream dedicated just to Genshin in a bit. Maybe when they release a good amount of new story updates. Maybe once I level up, we'll see. For now, I'm just doing short little bits of Genshin at the end of streams. But that should be it. Let's do a wish, and then I will hop off. In fact, do I have enough for a wish? And still be able to do a 10 wish? I have enough for one single wish, and I'll still be able to do a 10 wish. So I will spend that. Y'all are only getting one wish today, sorry. Okay, it's not amazing. That's fine. Actually, let's see. Do I have some stuff here? Well, yes, but actually no, because I have enough to buy Fate, but I bought all... Is it Legendary Debate Club? Yeah, I don't have many characters that use clubs, so... that I have clubs on, so... Oh, I could buy masks. No, I don't need more masks. But yeah, that's about it for today. A little bit shorter than some streams, but hey, good length. 3 hours, very good length. Anyways, let's end it up here. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really do appreciate everyone who stops by, even if you lurked, even if you stayed here just for a moment, even if, especially if you chatted. I really love the company. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, night, evening, whatever it may be for you. Let's see who's online. Will I do a raid today? Who knows? Yeah, why not? Let's do a raid today. Don't forget to stick around for the raid, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.